Susie cute, see you. Craigton, this is Carol. My name come up as Spuds. Sleep is boxing, you know. Well, Carol sleep must have boxing, you know what time it is now in London. What time? So it's 9:33 p.m. here, and you guys are 5 hours ahead. So it's about 2:33. You know, so you work late, you know. Sassy, the main topic. Well, am I sassy that? Well, sassy are you that? Wonder if I might sassy that, you know, cause yeah man, we just have wait for the people them forward, see them and thing and come back in. And people remember say we're upon a thing tonight, you know. What the wickedest thing somebody do to you. Or what the wickedest thing is somebody do to somebody else, yeah? Well, 1 year, we just making people them coming back right now and things saying skibby that back badum babadu badabadu bam 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 badum. Alright, I can bring this over here. So yes, people, we there back again and thing, and we're up on the right layout, you know. Well, the original layout that allowed the call them for come in and thing. And we're up on a thing tonight. We are say what the wickedest thing somebody do to you, you know. So just give me the link them and talk up with something them and whatever. Stace, big up yourself. Alright, and people remember to share the live, share the live. Alright, in the meantime, again, I could do a roll call. I want to see one of them, one I watch from. Just post one I watch from and thing. And about I just say Jamaica, you have to tell them which part of Jamaica, alright? Alright, one I watch from. Orlando, Hanover, Alabama, Clarendon, Brooklyn in the house, Cancun, Mexico. Big up yourself, Alicia. Canada, which part of Canada? Spanish Town. Munchie. Well, Munchie, you know, say you there somewhere in some jungle. North Carolina, Jonestown, Portmore, Florida, Miami, Toronto, Fort Lauderdale, what Arizona there? Big up Arizona. West Palm. You know some would live at West Palm though, even though Florida go on bad weather. Munchie about you in your bed. Lies, lies. Girl don't have no bed. Come and hype up in a Canada and when in a New York City, I thought in the most dance and you there sleep on cardboard and thing. You think we don't know? Nothing wrong still. You can build from that. Fletcher's Land, my place, Port Charlotte, Florida, Montego Bay, Sassy there, Mobile Airport, large up, Queens, New York, Chrissy in the building. Mobile again, Fletcher's Land, Spanish Town. Yeah, let me know where now watch from. Munchie say, what should I? Munchie put Jesus have mercy. Which part name so? Lioness Essex, London. Right? Roll call with it on. What? Oh, Christina said, Lord, me sis. Now look at you, Christina. I want to you. Ajax, Ontario, me know this, so. That person put New Hemisphere. I think that person did want to put New Hampshire, you know. Pennsylvania, London, Fort Lauderdale, roll call. Won't watch them. Bay Area, that are San Francisco. Share the live. Spud said, North London, of course, you know that I'm a good as charge. Carol will sleep at liquor. Lacey and Harris, Bull Beer. Snow Queen. What? Augustone there. You know how I place that, you know. Build up Color Red Corner original. Now them call it Judgment Yard Corner because Dada take it over, Sizzler take it over and thing. But big up all Gola and Tasha, big up yourself. Money gun pan them. Cho. Man. Okay. Dallas, Texas. Bull Beer. Yeah, you know, big up Augustine, big up River, big up Gola, big up Danceland, big up Gold Cement Villa, big up Bryce Hill, big up Hermitage too. Yeah, big up Ellis Flats and them place a poppy in the whole works, large up on yourself. Green Island in Hanover, Tafari, Rochelle Park in New Jersey. All right, big up the Jersey Heights, them. Homestead, that a Homestead in a Spanish town. East London, I know Deso, stamping ground that. Okay, let me see who else there. Oh, hold on, this thing I forgot on. Leytonstone, how are that there? Brunswick Avenue, Spanish Town. Famous road that in a Spanish Town, you know, people, the Brunswick. Harkers Hall. Our Harkers Hall there. Big up CT in that place, Connecticut. Our Harkers Hall there. Remember, share the life, people. Share the life, share the life, share the life, share the life. Knocky in the building. Antigua and Barbuda. Nice. Balham. Where is Balham? All right. Michigan there. London, Leytonstone, East London. All right then. Good. Thanks for making me know that. Leytonstone is in East London. Omar over in Trinidad. Beverly there in London. All right. And I know so was something global. Nothing new there. Porus, Manchester. We all know that. We have to drive through this. I have to go all about Jamaica. Cayman Island. Craig's. St. Catherine near above rocks. We know there's a Brooklyn, New York. Well, you're there in a city here with me. Morgan's Pass in Clarendon. I never hear about this yet. Thanks to make me know about something new. Joseph Flash, there Canada. Which part of Canada you there, Joseph? Ottawa, Ontario, Nova Scotia, Vancouver. Where you there? Where you there? Where you there? In Canada. Snow Hill. Yeah, make sure so now follow me and share the live. Make sure now follow. That's the only thing I'm gonna ask you to do over here. Alright? Just follow me and share the live. Alright, again, with upon a thing, we say, what the wickedest thing somebody ever do to you? Or what the wickedest thing you ever see somebody do to somebody else, alright? That's what the thing there. And I just call in because the multi-guest thing I work now. Because I put it on. Annalise said the best drama come from Clarendon Raga. So call in and give me one of them, no? Give me one of them drama there where you say Clarendon have locked, no? Sexy Marie, Rochelle, Antigua. Say Antigua in that building at Tivoli Garden, Kingston 14. Bumps and Froggy Terrace. But hold on. Yeah. We have say Tivoli Garden and Kingston 14 because Tivoli Garden are in a Kingston 14. Patterson, New Jersey, I'm a place that, you know. Yeah. You see there with somebody over there, so too, you know, in a Patterson. You know. People that be in Jamaica and live at Patterson, New Jersey, you know. Yeah. Alabama in the place. Wait, Tivoli Garden at Kingston 14? T-Valley Garden at Kingston 14. And what you said to me? No, man, I never know West Kingston then. Why? Me shame because it's like me no remember that. Well, because me used to live at West, me never used to live at TG, but right above, let me bring over this thing here. Right above, used to live at Percy Street, you know? I know, sir.
Ragashanti.
Wagwan.
Raga, good night.
Good night. So you change up your voice. Raga, good night. Eh? And you say, Ragashanti. Raga, good night. Wagwan.
I'm here to tell
Since.
you my drama.
Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Yeah.
Alright, so if you hear my kids in the background.
Nah, man, everything is everything, man. We are juggling with it, man. Talk up to me, yeah.
Anyway, me and this guy,
Yeah?
4 years, my baby father.
4 years, your baby father, okay?
Mm-hmm. Anyway, I have a little feelings like, him a cheat for me.
Right. I look
I
suspicious.
run little investigation.
Uh-huh.
When I run my little investigation now,
Mm-hmm.
it happened that me take me down and make me come back up because me I hear myself a repeat.
Yeah, loop? No,
Yeah, me continue and repeat.
probably because, yeah, are you listening on the same device where you talk, man?
No.
We are hear you good, you know? Oh, somebody say it look like you echo for true. So, all right, so you want come back in?
Yeah, man, no problem.
All right, then, cool. Forward. All right. She said the thing I echo on her, so let's see how that go, you know? Christina said she not hear no echo. Well, yeah, we never hear no echo, but I think something with our right name the way it did a echo on fear side, you know? Let me bring this over here, so. Yeah, I'm gonna put this over here, so yeah, man, because. Alright, I'm gonna bring her in back now and see if. Oh, me no know what. It better now?
Yes, I think. Anyways, we were together 4 years.
Yeah, you and him there together 4 years.
Yeah, we get daughter together.
Alright, daughter.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
When baby reach 3 months, I
Uh-huh.
notice them start do something weird.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, we get suspicious now about what him movements and all of that.
Right.
And I tell you, say, I best man a woman could have ever have in her life.
Is that the best man a woman could have ever have? So he was a good man to you.
Well, on Raga, when me say the best man a woman could have ever have.
Wow. Wait, what made him the best man? What made him the best man?
When him find out pregnant,
Yeah?
me couldn't make have to stop work.
You'd have to stop work. Mm-hmm.
Stop work.
Yeah. Talk look faster,
No,
here.
no, I'm a cook.
Yeah. Him no want you
No,
cook.
I'm a clean.
Mm-mm.
Him do a 9 to 5 job and him
Mm-hmm.
have him own business on the side.
9 to 5 with him own
Him come
business.
home, him do everything.
Wow. Well, if a Jamaican man
Anyways,
go
cut
work and
long
come
story
home.
short.
Yeah, go and talk. Mm-hmm.
Start get suspicious. Start get suspicious now.
Yeah,
So, alright,
talk
one day it
directly in
was
the,
his
yeah.
birthday.
Yeah, talk directly in my phone. Yeah, don't move away your mouth from it, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
It was his birthday.
Yeah.
Alright, I had plans for him.
Right. You have to talk a little faster.
Anyway, had plans for him. I get up the morning, look for some stew fish
Yeah.
and dumpling, yam and banana. Treat me a treat boy now, you know. Remember, I have baby and everything now. A 3 months this.
Yeah.
Alright. Him have a MacBook.
Yeah.
So him leave the MacBook open and go drop off something on the road near home. When me hear message a come in on the MacBook, me look. When
Yeah.
me look, cause him it log in a WhatsApp.
Yeah.
When me look, me see him send the breakfast. Go give him, woman.
Him send
When he
breakfast go
send
give him
breakfast,
woman.
yes, him send the breakfast. So me make go give the woman, and she had said, "Wow, lovely," and all of that. She that eat some of that right now.
Well, the breakfast for you make for him send go
The
give.
breakfast when me make fee Rega.
Yo. He go attack.
Anyway, Raga, me go in a MacBook. When me go in a MacBook, me I tell her say come like a fear man. You know, me say girl post her man with. If you say no, me I tell her say she explain and I make you know say a fear man.
Yeah, post him where? On which platform?
On WhatsApp, cause me must say the man birthday.
Okay, so she have him up on her WhatsApp and okay. Yeah.
Me I tell her say caption, proper caption, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, Raga, when I picture them in face hiding eye, people know people start send me now. The man, cause people know him.
Yeah.
Couple I picture them where the girl post and them me a post too. But all the thing, most of them in the same clothes, but some of them are me and him, but him have single picture too.
Okay, so you mean this? So my picture them when him give you of himself, him give she too.
Yeah, like she get picture with him, but him alone.
Right.
Me would have picture with me and him together, but I same clothes.
Right.
Alright. Story come to bump no Raga. No listening no.
Yeah.
This was the morning. Anyway, in their work now and me a call now to find out if me not say nothing to him about whatever happen, you know.
Yeah.
Before he reach our work,
Yeah.
me call him.
Mm-hmm.
So me say, what mama baby, you know me I pretty up everything and alright. I make everything look alright and everything. Somebody did call me and tell me, say, Sidani, like them I say, Sidani, you know say, the boy pick up a girl. Anyway, you know me call him now on video call and say, babe, what happened?
Yeah.
He might hide the phone, Raga. Cause the girl over in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
So me say, babes, why you hide the phone? Me see in my car.
Yeah.
Man say him not hear me good. Hold on, when he reach a work, he call me. Anyway, Raja, me no call him, he no call me.
Right.
Me call him in the evening now.
Mm-hmm.
More find out now what time I come from work and all of them something. Then me notice them start move suspicious like something alright.
Yeah.
Me send my sister now for go up to him workplace brawling. But hide cause I want plaza. But me I tell her I say for hide and make she see him. Make him see her.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Anyway, when she go there, she said, Sidani, she reach about half an hour before him ready for leave work. But him listen on Raga, him tell me say him a go left work late.
Mm-hmm.
Me now in myself I say his boss would have never do that because his boss know that him have a family and the boss know a type of woman who him have on him birthday.
See.
I have plans for him.
Sure. Cause he have plan for put it on him all night there, you know, dog.
Well, God, me I tell us a proper plans,
Sure.
decor, all
Mm-mm.
kind of something.
Little lingerie and all them something that they go put on though.
But remember, say me just have baby now, so a proper sex me I expect you to give me.
Oh Lord Jesus,
And me
boom it
reach
off.
out me 3 months and something. Me a talk a two.
Yeah, ready for boom it off in the night there for boy birthday.
So Raga.
Yeah,
Anyway, me buy him some gift and all of them something there.
yeah,
Call me, my sister call me and she said, sit down, you don't look like nothing a go on, you don't look like a girl there in my workplace.
yeah,
Anyway, me tell my sister, say, sis, go on, hold off and watch what I go on. She
yeah.
said,
Hello?
hold off,
Yeah, you have to talk a little
hold off,
faster,
what
you
you
know.
hold
Sit
off
on it.
and
You have
watch
to
what I
talk.
go on,
You have to
rather.
talk a little faster. Here, sit on it. Yeah.
The whole what she hold off and watch little longer.
Yeah.
I girl that we she see her come, she send me girl picture.
Yeah.
Girl a circle place. But them
Sit
him
it.
can't make him co-worker them see me kind co-worker them know me. Everybody know me.
Yeah, yeah.
Knowing me,
Sit it. Sit
knowing
it.
me now.
Well, something
That
not going on with your phone, you know. It's a chip out. Me no know, you do something while you talk to me. Sit on it.
caller coming from my phone that.
Oh, that's why. It a cut you off here.
That me I notice. Caller coming from my phone that.
Yeah, it a cut you off. So see if you can talk a little faster there and just give it the fullness, you know.
Yeah. Anyway, girl that in a circle plaza. My sister take a picture. Little after that now, me call him and me say, babe, the soul left work. Him say, yeah, mama, my soul left work. After that, he call me back and he say, he not sure what time him a left work because right now, I be a work depending the time the girl there workplace and my sister watch what go on in her raga.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Anyway, a girl hide and go right her car. Him owe me car, make a girl go in her car. My sister everything I send come give me.
Mm-mm.
Anyway, him make a girl go in her car before him go in her car. My sister know.
Sit on it.
Yeah, hear me,
Sit.
Raga?
No, sit on it. You can't put your phone on do not disturb. She have problem because yeah.
So,
Yeah.
anyway,
Yeah, man,
yeah.
talk look faster, man, and I make it draw. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
My sister know where did I workplace. She when him drive off, she follow him.
Yeah.
Drop off a girl her yard, him got the yard. My sister send all of that come give me. When him come home, I ask him what was in there, when did there, everything. Say I ask me why me I ask him so much question. So me I tell her say Raga me same time me hug him up, me I tell her when me hug him up, me squeeze him tight. So I say no, like him I say no, see that no you this, what happened? Me I say you think you can style me? I say what you mean by you think you can style me? Anyway, Raga me say me stop up, me close them and come on me yard.
Mm.
Come on me yard now. Me I tell you, say me no know how a girl get my number, Raga. A girl call me like them suspect now say something wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she a call me now. She a call like she and him a friend. So she a say she a call upon the half of like she a say me a call upon the half of Sean and she a beg Sean say me for come back home and all of that. So me a say, who is you? Then tell them me know the girl, cause my sister don't Google everything and the girl number me know in her raga.
Don't do no
Anyway, me pack up and me come
investigation.
home.
Yeah.
Pack up and me come home. When me pack up and me come home, and him that me see her come. The next day, I tell you, say, me give that man a second chance.
Yeah.
You see next chance again.
Yeah.
He mess up in do his same thing. So me just cut and left.
Okay. So why real quickly before me go try take a next car, why you think if you say he was such a good man and thing what did I draw him over there so with Miss Lady?
Remember, Raga say, some man no know how to hold them own.
Oh, you mean when you did
Remember, me I
pregnant?
try to not go through postpartum depression.
Yeah, yeah.
So me have to go and hold it.
Right.
You understand? So you see after that, in mind might be changed and all of that. You see, when me understand when you have kids for when you get a kid, when you get kids,
Yeah.
instead of man love you more, them love you less.
Well, that is not necessarily true, but probably. But you go through your thing, Yeah, no, you have some man get closer to woman after them. After them, the woman have youth for them, man. You have some man, the thing gets stronger, But
Mm.
but if somebody post and say that are true, so some people agree with you. But respect for share that here. Now say a word, man, and big up yourself and the little one where we hear that with you. All right, city.
Yeah, man, big up.
Yeah, man. Love and honor, man. Protection. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Me could see what go on over here. So now, what the wickedest thing somebody ever do to you? What the wickedest thing you see somebody do to somebody who you know or whatever. We want to give you the link and make you hear what go on, Keep it snappy and busy. Greetings. Good night.
Night Raga.
What go on?
Lucy Mama in the building.
Who this?
Lucy Mama.
Lucy Mama. What? Say, me see somebody pose and say, what? Maybe make Lucy Mama know say Raga on right,
Raga.
What go do?
You say one of the wickedest things a man do, but
Tell me. No, what
me a
anybody do?
PC girl with what me do a man the other day.
What you do? What do a man that box me that me nasty this with it there? Send on.
Alright, Raga, me meet this man on TikTok.
Yeah.
My message me. So
Yeah.
we exchange phone number.
Yeah.
Me exchange phone number and we did the talk on FaceTime. But me ever realize him sit down one place and have the phone close up so.
Yeah.
So me normally see him have the left hand, the scratching head. So me say to him, say, if you are left hand, him say yes. Me say backside, to we are left hand crab.
The two. Yeah.
Anyway, me and him attack and attack. So Valentine's Day gone, he say, I go buy something for me. So me say, alright. He show me one of them smart watch try and buy for me. One chain with the earring for match.
Hold on.
Say,
You
alright,
ever
me
didn't
not
meet
really.
you didn't meet that man before or you just know him from online?
No, me never meet him before.
And him a buy smartwatch for you and chain and whatever?
Yes.
Hold on, are them things that
So
go on online?
Raga, yes, hear the mix up and the drama now.
Senna.
Anyway, him buy Valentine's Day, so me say alright. Me not really running so quick, me dey go and chat him.
You go and chop him,
So
yeah.
anyway, him tell me where he live. And then him tell me, say, he make me talk to him father. So after me talk to him father, I realize that the father come from near which part me live. So me say, alright then.
Yeah.
Being as the father come from down here and the father know a couple people, so me say, alright, me supposed to see if then.
Yeah.
So him live a Montego Bay, me not go really stay which part I'm up here, but I want like one bad area.
No bad area. Alright.
So anyway,
Rose Heights
about
are
a
one of
week
them
after
places
now,
there.
me say, alright. Me say, me go check him.
Yeah.
That I want the other Saturday after, but me sit down and me say to my family, them say, boy, say me don't really want to go. Because, me see man, they yarn, and was special, and they like him out, no smell so right.
No, well, stop right there, so.
So,
Right there, so. What you just said, when you talk to him on the video, my yarn, all right, and that
Yes, yeah, one special yarn. So my sister the yarn don't like him, no smell so right.
No, hold on. You
And
just
then the
said,
next thing again lick me.
Hold on, man. You said the man have a special yarn where you know so that yarn there means
you know
a
so
mouth
thing
stink.
out yarn them there.
What you say? Is that stink? Hold on, man. What you say is that stinking mouth yarn that no?
Yes, man, I stink out yarn. Me know the special yarn there.
Listen to me. All right,
So
yeah.
Anyway, me go a Montego Bay.
Yeah.
And me go in Top Mart.
Yeah.
And I say, alright, me buy 3 marina film. Because I say, being as in buy something for me go buy him back something.
Yeah, which is nice.
But before we did go and tell me, say, he went do one open heart surgery. So I said to him, say, how long do you do open heart surgery? He say, about a couple of years ago. So me and my man say, a couple of years ago. And he no better yet. So anyway, when me left me yard, me reach now be me buy the marina them, me buy one toothbrush, one new brand rag. And me did have some heap of condoms, so me put them in my bag.
Okay, cause in your mind you gotta run a little thing pan him, though.
Yes, me say me go run a little raga. When the man call me, and me say me reach a bay now, so me say which part me go see you? He tell me which part I'm up here. So me turn up at one place and me see me in the car. Me say what kind of car in, and he tell me. So me go towards the car. When me go to the car, raga, I'm open me door and go in. Me realize say at the left and alone he have the drive. So me start to look on him one way. So him say to me, say, what make you look on me so? You like what you see? So me not really answer him still more than they watch him. So me they say, yeah. Raga, when the man reach, when he say he live, me first come out of the car. When me see the man come out of the car, me say, Jesus Christ, I'm going to handicap.
Is that disabled man?
This is the man too need and said someone and he had no good. So he say, you must wonder say how wrong with me and
no, what you mean in two
so
need them said so?
Why me to
hold on, man, why me to in two need them? What you mean?
Why they knock together so like a living handicap they look funny, they knock together and they can go. So
like
anyway,
what you mean? Him need them not
when
bad.
House now. Yeah, he need them not bad, he look real awful. So Raga, when we reach in my house, me say to him say, put in a Wi-Fi passcode in the phone on my phone. So him put in it. So me text my sister, me say, anytime me catch after 7, just ring my phone and say emergency. Raga, when I go in the man house, me see the man take out chicken, saying they want me cook chicken for him. When me look on the stove, me say, no sir, this is a stove I like, you know, clean for the bike. So me say, alright, me go and me a clean off the stove. The kitchen sink. Now I say, no man, me can't use this kitchen sink, so me they wash it down. So me say to him, say, you want to present now? And he said, yes. So me give him the marina, then he said to me, say, well, me can buy white marina. So me say, you can wash white marina. He say, me never said that, but member say me tell us me did one open heart surgery, and then he stopped. So anyway, he go in my room and he come up back in my hall and he give me present them in a one little bag. So me put on the bag in a one set you want have there and put on for my bag when me go with for my back. So me take off my blouse and put on one marina when me did carry in the bag. Me say that man say, Jesus Christ, no sir. When me look Raga, me see the man just say crack here, then me look what sick just fly out of the head, so what sick they fly out of the head. So
hold on, man. You can't go over that, man. When you say a cratchy head and sitting and fly out of head, what fly out of head?
Raja, the man just say crack here, Raga, me say what sitting there drop out of the man head. So me say to him, say, how long do you wash your ear?
No,
it's a long time.
What
so
drop
alright,
no good as what drop out of head when you have a cratchy head? What drop out of head?
Like in a fungus in head, Raga, in a fungus till it's sore.
Oh God,
so Raga, me carry me in the bathroom and me wash the ear for him.
Yeah.
When me wash ear for him and me come back in the aisle and me dey dry, my sister ring me phone. So after my sister ring me phone, and me say hello. And my sister hang up and me having my earpiece. Me say, yeah, which part you say me feel read her? Them a quotes. So me say to him, say like, oh, tomorrow and Sunday, me can get drunk provision to buy down a market. He say yes. Raga, me go down in my bag and me hide the gift them want give me, put them in there. Me take out the rag, the toothbrush and the condom them and give me. Say put them down in there so for me there.
Mm-hmm.
And me take up my bag from my bag. So me say to him, say, me they can me down a quotes. Cause me pick up some money from somebody for my sister.
Mm-hmm.
He say, alright. So me say to him, say, you have pumpkin at the fridge. He say, yes. So me say, alright, when we reach on a beer, me they go buy dragon and milk and something for you make some pumpkin drinks tomorrow for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Raga him say, alright. Raga yes, when him reach on a court and he tap, me say, go look a bit further, can he tap exactly in front of the bus park. Me say, go look a bit further.
Why you saying go?
Raga?
Well, you know why nobody see you come out of the car, though.
Raga, Raga. Me say, me dive in our Lucy bus. Raga, me tell him, so wait, there's somebody there come, me say, me dive off in our Lucy bus, Raga.
No,
Kingston black.
No, hold on. Why? Murder! Hold on. So what you say? When him can't go to that coach, him can't go right I bus stop with only for people there, whatever. So you tell him.
Right I bus, so true, me no want him to say me there going I bus, me tell him, say, if he go up, look a bit
go
further.
Go up, look a bit more. Go up, look a bit more.
So when you go up, look further now, yes, that up to Trinity Mall up the way.
Yeah. So you
So
don't.
Raga with me dive off in our Lucy bus and me block that number when me reach my yard.
Yeah.
But for my phone, if you no block a number straight, when you try to call you, we hear the message. Raga 3 o'clock in the morning, this call pop up from him.
Jesus have mercy. So you tell me, say, so what, as you come out of the car, you go so zoom and go right in one Lucy bus and hide out and thing and straight.
You know one Lucy bus, because we want the bus one.
Yeah, and then a straight black you send on pan him after that, don't?
Straight black. And then the next thing again, Raga. Come realize the man like me they talk to him like today. Me see me now one close. Tomorrow I see him close. And the man I want sent them and said, Jesus.
In green bad.
But the scent one you have, you know.
Yeah.
You could have beard and work with, but the mouth part, the Raga, no, sir.
So all that, you tell me say you did right, what you did, what you did this, what you did suspect about the yarn, where you said the way when you and him attack.
Suspect, me know the kind of special yarn him, so people have think out yarn.
No, well, you have to go teach me something now, you know, because I never hear that yet, so you have to go teach me. You are basically telling us that you have a yarn where people do, when them do that yarn, there is a stinking mouth yarn that, from your cinema yarn that way that them mouth stink.
Yeah, stink mouth, yes.
No, man, describe that yarn.
The yarn so often on the yarn, so me know same old thing.
Well, man, how the yarn they go, how the yarn go. Oh, describe that yarn, describe the stinking mouth.
Raga just a yarn, I'm a lick the mouth, so. The yarn wide and him a lick him out every time, so.
A lick him out? What you mean, a lick him lips? Eh? Lucy Mama?
No, Raga, you know, you don't have yarn just back, like, you know, like the pat, like, you know, that they pat yourself, and so when him a yarn wide, him a pat him out, so me know, say, you know, like, sometimes me break the, and you they try lick it back, you think this.
Yeah, try licking back the stinking.
Yes, Raga.
So what you say, so you did confirm it when you go around him, say, in mouth not too wonderful, that you say?
Me confirm, me say, from the man, me say,
Jesus.
from me good and the man chat, me say, he first chat in the car.
It break back.
But me say through the ear or I live is a bad ear or Raga, so me say, boy. Me have to use style pan him to take with myself.
Right.
Because at night me reach there.
Yeah. Jeez and peace or whatever. So from you going at the car, you didn't know say you're not gonna run it pan him, don't?
Me know say me nah go come from me see how him make me say no sir.
Oh, because when you say this
he nah go work, but me just stay calm and nice.
So
wipe down stove, wash him.
Yeah, but what me I say is for you see you because I'm disability make you know say you never did a go give him? And that make you say you never did a go give? Eh?
Not really the disability so bad, Raga, but the mouth and the frozen scent.
The mouth and the frozen scent where we have to.
And then we go see the hair again deeper fungus one night.
Yeah, we come out and head Jesus. Osh. And you say him just blow up your phone. Eh?
Up to where they me see text me on TikTok, I'll know me no look fine.
Jesus and thing. But what him buy you I did one nice watch him buy you and all him something there.
And nice watch and nice chain.
Oh. So
Dressing for match.
okay. So
But me should know say sitting around, you know, because one man now this me one woman say no raga.
one man
I
now
don't
do
know
what?
them and buy them expensive sitting and give me take it sitting right, you know.
Yeah, because then you say right away me all a page about that and me I say boy. Now say you meet this a man upon the internet and him wait name there, him a buy you them expensive something there already and whatever. You know, remember something not really too
$6,000 watch and $4,000 chain and everything.
bombard and things, see. Well, you dodge the bullet there, you know. Lucy Mama, you dodge the bullet there, so give thanks. Here, give thanks.
Ronald. All
Alright.
right, raga.
But hold on, before you go, one last thing before you go, you know. You know, say me into juicing lately and whatever. The pumpkin juice, something there. Oh, you da make it now.
Really pumpkin or pumpkin with carrot.
No, oh, you make it. Well,
I
you
use
boil,
milk.
hold on, you boil the pumpkin first.
You kind of half cook the pumpkin and
Half cook
the
the
carrot
pumpkin.
together.
And do what?
Yeah.
And do what?
You half cook the pumpkin and the carrot together.
Right, yeah.
When it cool now, you blend, you use your oats. Little bit of oats, not much oats. Dragon, milk, vanilla, nutmeg, and so to spice up it.
Dragon milk. When you say milk, white
Yeah,
milk
nutmeg and vanilla.
white milk or condensed milk?
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk. Okay, all right then.
Condensed milk me use.
And nutmeg and vanilla and look oats.
Yeah,
So a juice
yeah.
like that now, what you believe a juice like that do for somebody when they drink it?
Because why didn't you say strong up your body, man?
Them juice that, what you say the juice do?
Strong up your body.
Strong
I
up your
always
body.
see me they make it. Me am actually see me they make
What?
it. And I like try.
No, talk in iPhone, you move your mouth a while ago. Talk again, what you say?
If I always me I used to talk on FaceTime, see me they make it, so you always say and try.
Okay, so a regular thing where you drink to and straighten up your body, don't?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're firm and strong, you know. You believe say a juice like that make all your sort out turn up on them something there? I was sweet you. Eh?
Oh, raga.
Eh?
Naturally, it's sort out naturally.
What you say? Oh, you sort out just good naturally. You sort out turn up naturally.
Naturally, yeah.
Well, it's a good thing you never run it pan him there because you probably would have mash up in clot in the night there though. He couldn't manage you, man. He couldn't
Oh,
manage you.
raga. But if you must say you have no problem, I wish not that in a bed for me.
No, I'm have open heart problem and thing. All you need go run it pan him. You just that was just for lie still. You probably give him a little small squeeze and a little quint or two. But you couldn't put it on pan him, man, because boy would have probably you know that come charge you for homicide in there. You understand? Yeah, it would be like a vaginal homicide and thing. It's a good thing you never run it pan him. Poor him don't even know say you save him life, you know, because any him they get that they sitting there and thing. Murder, she wrote. A murder out of the pan him. But anyway, big up yourself in a Lucy Mama. Love and blessings, yeah?
But raga.
Yeah, man.
Blessings,
Protection.
raga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy, oh boy. Lucy Mama say, Raga, me notice say the man ungla using left hand, you know. Alright, if on the day over here right now, when you not follow me, make sure so to follow me right now. Follow Ragashanti and share the live right away. No, listen to me though. Me like your vibes, you know. Me like your vibes right now. Because I don't know, say, I mean say enjoy life. I mean say laugh, learn and grow. I mean say fun. Hey, listen to me though, man. Alright, so when just call in and talk up instead of them see me or whatever. Right? What the wickedest thing somebody ever do to you, or the wickedest thing you see somebody do to somebody. Alright? And thing. And just give it a link, give it a link, give it a link. I could take over the internet right you know and thing and teach them all the things from way back when. Alright, again, if you're dep on the live, follow me and share the live. If you're not follow me yet, follow me, make me see the follow them go up. That's the only thing that I bother on about. If you're not over here, follow me. Alright, Jesus, good people. Alright, I go over here so and pick somebody else and see what I go on, you know. And rate it. Ray, tay. Good night. Wagwan.
Brother, good night.
Wagwan, good as.
I want to tell you one Susie say.
Say that.
So you know say,
Yeah.
we call it now Good Friday.
Yeah.
Me have a bona fide man in a Raga.
Mm-hmm.
But me look a side man, give me the side out.
You look a Simon where you look a fix up and thing and whatever, yeah.
Yes, 3 years now. But listen now.
Well, the side man, you have the side man for 3 years?
Yes.
Poopa, Jesus. Go on, ta.
So Raga, listen now. I'm go work the Good Friday, cause security work me do.
Yeah.
So I'm go work and come home early.
Yeah.
So the side man now see me out of price right. On a business.
Price, which
And
one
then
I price right then?
Uptown, Meadowbrook.
Meadowbrook side. Price right. Okay, yeah, we know that one there.
Yeah, so him see me and go like he no see me. So to me know say my bonfire come, give me my bun and cheese and everything.
Yeah.
Rather the man done work, that I the side man.
Yeah.
Done work, call me and say, so you say, yeah, I gotta work. So me say, I go work already and come home. Me I go up on the road with my baby. Raga, you know, say, in the 2 o'clock bells, the side man circle the scheme. And see say man a yard, park up, call my phone.
Well,
The man there yard.
Well, 2 o'clock in the morning.
No, in the evening.
In the evening, and him know your man car down.
Yes.
And see.
Him not work, Him not get no turn off for coming on my scheme. But him patrol me era.
The side man.
The side man.
You want that?
Raga. See the bonfire man park up at the gate now. Call me. Your man there yard. So me say if you see same day me yard, where you call my phone for?
When I call your phone for look at hey, me say me can't burn me for them, me see man. Go on ta.
Me say, Raga. Me say me heart a beat at the same time. I say, Jesus Christ, and what is happening at the Good Friday, yeah. So me I say, no, me not think me that bare face, so. They stop and come at my gate, come call me. Cause I remember saying, this a man that pay my bills, he don't know my light bill pay, he don't know grocery.
This are the side man, right? The side man. Because I just saw out you do it with the side man, right?
I just saw it. Hold
on. The side man saw out turn up down.
Up.
Like why him do good will make a different from your man? What him saw out do?
Fuck me good, man.
No, don't say the F word over here, yeah? Alright, don't say. So him sort you out good, I just that him not do nothing else exceptional.
But that.
Oh, so that him just put it on by your good.
Yeah, but here I no.
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Me never give him the bonafide position. So me always tell him, say, listen, you don't know me eat. So nobody come tell me about you love me. But I work with that. When you expect me, you have to leave.
Yeah, him kinda catch feelings on him side, man.
Yes. So anyway, Raga. Me find out say me I got work one morning, that a Monday morning, like a Easter Monday. The man draw down on me and say I go kill. I go me.
Yeah, him go unalive you.
So me say you born with greatness underneath your foot.
This are the side man, say him go kill you.
Yes.
For what? So him not know the thing set up long time. Where him go answer for? Because when you talk to him, you not tell me, say you tell him, say, no, me I go out with my baby and whatever. So you never hide nothing from him. You never go around him.
Me mean say, me I go out with my daughter.
Oh, your daughter. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Tell me the truth. You didn't give him any kind of inkling for say, you didn't try to send him wife to say, yeah, your man now go and good or something now broke up or something. You didn't do anything like that?
No, Raga. Me not hide my money now. Me know, if we get intact, me say, listen, me have a man, now.
Yeah. Keep it
Yes,
100.
right, sir.
You keep it 100, yeah.
Yes. But
So-
when him depend,
Yeah.
me not depend that, cause Raga mean. He mean to all himself. So I just decide to it.
I just decide. So we
Yeah.
could keep it real. Him start to turn up more than your man start to, though.
Yes, I want to tell you, Raga.
Keep it clean. Keep it
Let me
clean.
take time to have.
Yeah, keep it clean, yeah.
My man a big man, I'm 65.
Oh.
Yeah.
And the bonner man how much?
40.
Bona man a 40. So, are you 65-year-old man, him can do him thing, but he not up there like that.
Him had a romantic type style.
Okay. But the
Sometimes
bona
woman
man
like
are just a
Raga.
hardcore, put it on pan you and bend you up and all them way there and thing and whatever.
Yes.
Okay. So wait, the bona man, him swipe?
No, the personal.
Eh?
The personal.
Or the personal swipe, but the bona man not swipe.
No.
But the bona man can just put it on pan you good. That's why you do it with
Yes.
him, don't? Okay, so you get a look a fixer. No, but him not know the burning rules, man. That's why I tell you. Let me tell you something. If he's a side man, your first priority, is not for. Listen to me now. Listen to Mas Raga, right? As an elder in our game. Well, let me fix that something. I don't move here. Let me fix that something. And one thing I want to drag the slider. Well, I got thing with TikTok though. Okay, verification. All right. Wanna listen to me, youth and youth especially. You see, if you's a bonner man, and worse, if the woman upfront with you and make you know certain things, right? She make you know just enough, right? If she's a good woman, she not go throw her man under the bus or tell you in business or whatever. Do not ask. If he's a bonner man, do not ask the woman too much about her man. That is not your business. That's the first thing. Don't ask her no only for details about him life and whatever. If she just make you know say she have her man and use a side man, use a side man. Now, as a side man, if she's going to you for the sort out, that is important that you perform good. But your performance in the sort out is not the most important thing. What is the most important thing to women? Safety, security. You have to protect her. And the way you protect her is you follow the Bonnerman rules. You don't call late. In fact, you don't call. Make that person call you. When you see her, I do certain things and whatever, and if she says something and it not go straight, you work with it. If you need it for meet, and she said me can't meet and whatever, don't ask her for no explanation. If something come up make she can't meet. And the reason why you're not going to ask her is because you have to protect her. And you see, if you have a side man, you see, once that side man a go around your yard and all them something, they're not stuck, whatever, listen to Mas Raga, the time come for you, cut him off.
Long time.
Cut him off. Right? Once them start catch feelings and start pressure you and a trail you and whatever, the obsession thing in there and them people end up kill all people and all them something there, Once them start, you take time, take your hand out of lion mouth, right? If you have a bonner man or a bonner woman and that person is not protecting you and them a pursue them own interest relative to you because them start dead over you and them want you good and all them something and them a dream about you and thing and obsessed with you and thing, let them go. If you want to maintain your thing and balance up your thing same way. Because him violate, right? Yeah. Him never really follow the proper bonner man rule them and thing, Hey, back in the day, when me I take man woman, me I tell you, say me are the boss, and when them a style me upon I say this and that about me, me hold it, Yeah. When them a chat all kind of thing about me, I say Raga this, Raga that, I don't even know, say I'm did it so. And me a jump and nobody know can you protect the woman. Right? You have to be a good bonner man, them way there. So you let him go after that, no?
Yes, Raga, long time.
And he might come and chat about him and come kill you now and whatever because you're your man where you're there with.
No. Raga, come here. I want to tell you something. Come here. You see your man, Raga?
Yeah.
A people husband. Come make we take time to talk.
Yeah, nobody tell nobody. I just me and you talk.
12 years me and him there.
Well on. The upfront man somebody husband?
Yes, baby.
How we are 12 years. Well, yes. So well on. So you are a side woman.
Raga, listen now.
Well on, answer me. Are you a side woman?
Anyway, you want to put it.
Well on. So you are the side woman. You as a side woman have problems with your side. Yo, yeah.
Raga, listen to me. The
Mm,
way you want put it, you put it. Me
yeah,
work with it.
yeah. 12 years?
Yes. Me, listen to me.
Mm.
Anything more I may get, Raga. Not too
Anything,
good for me to
see,
get.
anything you
Yes.
want, you get. Not too good for you get. Don't.
Yes.
Jeez,
So listen to me now.
12
Look aside,
years?
man. Yes, 12 years, Raga. The wife used to call me night and day. She wake me up early in the morning. She wake me up, she not make me sleep. But here when me not answer no Raga.
Yeah.
Listen to me respect the man.
Yeah.
I'm respect her in marriage.
Right.
I'm respect the wife. Although me don't know her, but she know me.
Yeah.
But nobody answer. Cause if me answer, me mash up the bedroom.
Yeah.
Mash up the place.
What you mean?
So
What
me
you
just,
mean? If you what you mean? What you that
no,
tell
me
her?
that, no, Raga, me just leave it at that. Cause
What you
just
mean? If you
respect
start
her.
tell her there's something them should if you that tell her say like my fault, make the man over here after you can't do so and so. And if you see when me I whine it up on my what you say you that tell her something don't. Eh? Yeah, they laugh. No, you do the right thing though, cause you're not disrespect her and you're
No,
not
me
move
not
to
do that.
her. But she call up your phone because she know about you, don't.
Yes, she stop calling us still.
Oh, well, as me always say, if somebody dip on the side after 5 years on a side again,
No,
are the two
this
on there with him?
Raga, the only thing me not do for the man,
Mm-hmm.
I wash and clean. Cause me not live at the house. But you see when it's command for take care of him,
Mm-hmm.
ensure they eat properly,
Mm-hmm.
cook for him, take care of him.
Mm-hmm.
That is me.
Mm-hmm.
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 So
So
listen to me.
so
What you say?
what you do for him? What you think? What you do
Hmm?
for him? What you think him? Why make him stay with you so long? When him not get from him wife?
Comfort.
Comfort? Him not get comfort from him wife?
No stress and problem.
Like, oh, so
But
she
them no know say. Them no know say enough of the time and then send them husband a road. Cause you can't lock off the president. You can't lock off the, what do you call it now? The treasure
yeah.
from the man.
Oh, so
Yeah.
are them something that she are going with the wife, lock off the good from him,
Yes.
and then I stress him out in other ways and things. So you are say when woman do that, man, I go look him I go look comfort somewhere else, though.
And him not left, brother.
Him not left you?
No, him not left. I'm a
Why?
good man. I'm a man.
Are you, no, 12 years? No, you man
I'm a
that.
man.
Are you man that?
I'm a man, brother.
12 years, you're not man a juggle. No, are you man that. You have rights now. You know, in
Hmm?
the law, even in Jamaica, if a man and woman involved for 5 years and thing, and certain elements are in place, the court recognize that woman is or that man is entitled to the same amount of rights as somebody who married, right?
Brother, I want bust up some things, but I want to tell you, say, it
Yeah.
create havoc.
What?
It, it create havoc, man.
What go create?
Havoc.
No, man. I just pinch you and tell you one look a piece of one of them, man. No, man. Just come tell me what.
Brother,
Yeah.
you know, say,
Yeah.
shh, let me take time.
Take time, dog. Take time. Shh. Yeah, take.
You know, say,
Eh.
I tell my boy, whisper, I live now.
Yeah.
A 5 year, I live there now.
5 years you live with prior then. Eh.
Yeah, I move from out of the garrison.
Yeah.
So you know, say, me that take care of one local elder. He was 70. When I met him, I was 73.
This is one different man, right?
You an elder man.
One elder
a
man.
golden age, me keep him.
A
Golden age, me run.
golden age,
Yeah,
okay.
golden age.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like stress and problem. I like take care of them and nurture them.
Right.
Yeah, so I know him long time still.
Eh.
Long time I know him.
Eh.
But I want to look lonely man.
Man look a lonely old man.
Yes, I'm in pass off. I have thyroid cancer.
Mm-hmm.
The month I make 1 year.
Eh.
So I tell my bonify say, I'm a friend father. And she asked me to go look after him.
Mm-hmm.
Then you know say, I want to look old man, but him not no use still, him not create no damage nor nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I never put nothing upon him. I
But
just
you
take
do
care of my
look
family.
something with him do if make him feel good, do and you
No,
know.
sir, I never do nothing.
Not at all.
Nothing at all.
So you never make him touch look something and whatever if feel good.
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Oh,
I never have the, could do that.
couldn't do that. Okay. So, but what's the story with him now? What you get from him?
Why am I gonna get one 4-bedroom house?
You get a 4-bed with him. Hold on. So you get a 4-bedroom house from the 73-year-old man now who you tell your bona fide man who you dip on the side with for 12 years. You tell him, say, your friend father, you take care of him and you get a 4-bedroom house.
Yes.
Damn, girl, I used to work it, you know?
No, you have to, no, brother, you have to smart.
Yeah.
Remember, say, Father God bless you with something, you have to use it wisely.
That is what? No?
The greatness, between you, like,
Oh, but you never run it past 73.
no, you can't use other things, man. You
You
worry about
see,
that.
you use your head pan, okay, differently and thing and whatever. My
Too much him
God.
love breast. Too
Eh?
much him love breast. Too much him love breast.
Mm-hmm.
And even want to play with the breast. That's still something that,
Oh, so him did 73, you're making it a look a touch off her breast every now and then.
no,
No.
me never tell you that, brother.
You never tell me that.
Never tell you that.
You
I put
never
nothing
tell
on
me
my-
that. But it no means that it not happen, correct? You think you're easy. You what's you know be? When you say it's a 4-bedroom house, you get off a 73 before him kick the bucket down. Eh?
Murder.
Ah, Jesus. You're angry your business, you know. You think you're easy. You
No, but
think,
brother, you
eh?
have to smart,
Yeah.
You have to smart.
Anyway, do but I know really I'm not tread from them the older man then. You have to be careful with the 40-year-old bonner man them who catch feelings at them. You have to be careful about that thing. But anyway, go and balance your thing and things. So you say you're bona fide him wife stop bother. After 12 years she just love it out now, don't she? Can't bother,
You can't bother.
Yeah, can't bother. Alright, let's say a word, man. Big up yourself, here.
Alright.
Yeah, cool. God have mercy. I think you people them easy. Again, if you're there, make sure say you follow me. If you're there on the live, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. But people, big and serious, if you have a bonner man or a bonner woman and thing, once them start catch feelings and start going with some foolishness and thing and whatever, you don't have to think about if you let them go. Right? Now letting them go going to require some discipline, right? Because your reason for being with them and the reason why them catch feelings for you or whatever means some form of pleasure. Usually it's because some form of pleasure is there. Something compelling is there, in the dynamic, whether money, whether looks, whether sort out, whether it's a connection, right? And you yourself too, if you in a relationship where you value want to come out and think, my suggestion is then don't go do anything for jeopardize it. Don't go give bun. But as me always say, let's not be naive. Bunning not gonna stop anytime soon. Right? Bunning are gonna happen. Theoretically, it's possible that it will become non-existent. It's possible for no burning no give. But in reality, we know say burning are gonna go on. So if the burning are gonna go on, then you must have some disciplined approach to it. And if you claim say you value the relationship where you're in but you have to go on with a little something, you have to prioritize the relationship and make sure so when you see the signs where some sort of jeopardy are gonna come now when me end up sabotage your thing, it may mean say you have to let it go too. Or if you see the bonner man or the bonner woman are going certain way and across certain lines, you may have to let them go. Because as Raga always tell you, once you interact with somebody, particularly with them type of intensity, emotional intensity there, this whole notion like the thing can just stay one place No, it never stays one place. It either get deeper or it get more shallow. It either get richer or it becomes devoid of substance. It either expand or it contract and get smaller. It's just the nature of human interaction, right? The longer you're there around somebody, you eat them either get on your nerves and you don't like them more and more, or you like them more and more. It rarely stay one place. Worse when it involves something like that. So at some point, you may have to make a decision to cut that off. And when the boner man them and the boner woman them, hold on, the tug brain Sparta. You see it? You see them start up that something there again? You hear me say, take a next call. Now, this person probably don't know me. All I want to know me from a long time. I don't know say what them do right there, so it's a violation. When me I run my show, don't tell me when to take call and when not to take call. Right? If you think so if you take a call and me not take a call and you want me to take a call and it is that big a deal to you, leave and go watch something else. Leave and go watch something. You don't have to stay over here. Ragashanti don't come on this thing if you're begging anybody to stay over here. Right? Leave and go watch something else. Don't come over here come tell me what me for do. It's me run this. Not Uno. Because I know say someone on bright and rank on this. I will block and delete on the nastiness. Don't come bright on yourself and tell me how to run my thing. Oh, you don't know, me not join that something there. Me not join that something there. Alright? Me not join that something there. Me tell you from now, me not join that something there, man. And you say social media this, you must think I read this like back in the day. Block and delete. You don't know, come on, I chat when I want to chat and take call when I want to take call. You know, go, man. You know, come over so you don't look a selfish, one-sided thing. You know, come over every phone and needs them alone and all these things. Not going to work. Not going to work. Right? The time on the day I come and I tell me I'm going to go wash out to the dirty bathroom them. All right, cool. Anyway, let's go. I'm going to see what I go on there. So, no, I want to go on. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
What's up?
You hear me?
What's up?
Good night.
Good night.
Let me keep it short as two
Yeah,
little story.
yeah, I'm talking directly in my phone, yeah?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, your voice, that trail off look a bit. Go on, yeah.
Okay. Let me keep it short as
Yeah,
so in the Facebook news, may get one message from this soldier guy,
yeah,
very handsome, tall, hit, muscular, my type, you know.
yeah.
And he say when him coming at the parish, we go up and date and everything.
Okay,
Conversation was good,
nice,
everything.
nice.
When we went out on the day, oh my God, it didn't smell good, everything.
Him smell good,
I
look
was
good, the
when
whole works, no?
me I tell you,
Mm,
at that time we did that thing 10 out of 10. Would
yeah,
I run it twice,
yeah,
this is the first date.
right.
So we eat with a drink, but me realize that after the second drink, he said something to me like him say, me go out have to test you to see how you're loyal. Me just laugh it off, never take it serious. When a time for me come now, him say you're ready for the test.
Him say if you're ready for the what?
If me ready for the test,
For the test, for see if you're loyal, right?
yeah.
Mm,
So me I say, what kind of test you they talk about? The man fly the trunk. When me look at two big garbage bag of dirty clothes,
when him fly the car trunk and when you look at two what?
garbage bag of dirty clothes,
Garbage bag of what?
dirty clothes.
A dirty clothes?
Yes,
And what he say? And what he say? What he say?
he said, a woman who loves me and cares for me
A
will
woman who?
always make sure that I'm well taken care of.
A woman who what? What?
Loves and cares for me will always ensure I'm always taken care of.
Yeah. Some way
So me
more.
must wash him clothes.
No, listen to me, I know. Well on the man, well on the back up little bit. You're telling me this man introduced himself to you good looking, tall, muscular, this and that, dress nice and thing, smell good, the whole works and thing and whatever. Go on a date. First date, right? And you say when you see him, you say, no, sir, 10 out of 10, that man deserve the good and thing. But you say, no, a first date, so him can't get it. But you say, him deserve it because him a 10 out of 10. And you say, as the
Exactly.
date go on and everything nice and thing, him just kind of loosely say, he want to test you to see if you're loyal and whatever and
Right.
thing. And you just kind of gloss over it and thing. And you say, later on now, the dog was a bum and open him car trunk. And when he open the car trunk, a two big old plastic bag full of dirty clothes. You see in the
Full
dog.
of dirty
Full of
clothes.
dirty clothes. And the
Full
general
of dirty
say,
clothes.
if you care about him, and you want the best for him and thing like that, this is a test and thing. And he want you to wash it two big bag of dirty clothes. Them, no.
Boy, you can't even tell you the words that come out of my mouth
When you
after I say that.
after him say that, what you said to him? What you do? You send him up,
Me
no?
can't, exactly. And me walk and go to the bus park and him drive me down.
Hold on, man. Hold on. You style him up right after that. You tell him something sitting down.
Exactly.
And you just walk away and go to the bus park because you're going to take
And me
bus
go to the
now.
bus
You not
park.
going back in that car with him or whatever
And
this.
to the next day,
Eh?
him they send me text on a call, but me need to pay him no mind. You see,
Eh.
the next day,
Yeah.
me go up on Facebook.
Uh-huh.
Him they send a message about God created women as helpmates, and if me not go help, me not have no place in life. And then all of a sudden, him start post some little posts like, some dirty girl only want name out my money. You understand? Him start make some little posts. But anyways, no business with that. Me just black and delete.
Well, let
Me
me
just black
let me
him.
tell you something, man. What that man did was absolutely disgusting. Disgusting. I don't know man that. I don't know man that. The man never behave like a man. Never behave like a man. And them are the man they know we take that is not really misogyny, but that is what is called chauvinism and thing like that. You understand? Him sick. And him not no class, him not no approach. And he's like, encapsulated, arrested, in permanently lodged in a paradigm that, not even certain man who believes a woman to behave certain way would have do that on a first date. I idiot boy that you know lose nothing of this so. And it's a good thing you never go too far with him and then, and then I forgot regret it. So you go, go so and so with him. The man bring two big bag of dirty clothes on the first
Dirty
date for you
clothes.
and then feed you and tell you, say, time for you wash clothes now. Well, in a swear dog say, you have a proof to me say you're a good girl, And the only way I can say you're a good girl right now, is if you wash me two big bag of dirty clothes them, You understand?
Um,
What a
so
wicked man. Yeah.
here's the second story.
Yeah, say now.
When me dey try to be the styler
When you what?
and get style.
Tell me that one you know. I want to go on your son now. Yeah. What?
So back in the Facebook days,
Yeah.
same way,
Yeah.
young,
Mm-hmm.
19, 20,
Yeah.
waist slim,
Nice.
body cock up,
Yeah, girl
breast.
set good, cock up and thing, breast stiff up and all these things
Yeah,
done. Yeah.
Jamaica did night them time there.
Yeah.
So me and my friend them out
Yeah.
on a Friday night.
Yeah.
And what little man they look, but I one did I buy. And he
Yeah.
was a very old man.
Mm-hmm.
But we dey eat, we dey drink same way. What's the harm?
Uh-huh.
So, when we are leave and everything, he must say we can drop on a bus car. But my auntie them always breathe in our head. Never you ever take a ride from a stranger. So
Never
we
you
tell
take
him,
a
say,
ride from a
no,
stranger, right?
exactly. Always take a taxi, never separate from the group, all of those
Right.
things. So me take him number and tell him, say, one man, me have one to drive over come for me. But they get long romantic texts. You know them old man, they will them text, hello, beautiful, this, that, and that.
Right. What you mean? That's what
Black,
the older men do?
Lord, that.
All right, go on, go on.
But I get credit time and I ask.
Yeah,
When me look myself get credit and my top up my phone,
yeah.
send me Bible verse a man time. In the days they are
Wow,
text on
wow.
Facebook. You
Yeah.
don't know if you use Facebook, so I text them.
Takes around, you know. Probably have a BlackBerry them days, you know.
Why? Yeah. Raise a phone and
Yeah.
they, yeah.
Uh-huh.
But tell him say, because I didn't never finish it.
Yeah.
And me say to him, say, me no have no lunch money, no. Exam soon come, so me no really want miss no class.
Mm-hmm.
Him say, me we sort you out later.
Mm-hmm.
The man call me when they are college and say, come out of the gate.
Him call you what?
Call me when me they are college,
Right.
when me they are school.
Right.
And say, come out of the gate.
All right.
When me go to the gate, me get nice lunch, me get roses,
Mm.
me pile of money, and
Mm-mm.
him drive off.
Yeah.
And I say, okay, nice, man, I'm generous.
Mm.
So my cousin them I say, milk him, you know, milk him. See where you can get out of him.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me respect him as a little old man, you know, but me couldn't run it because my stomach was so strong.
No, you respect him as a little old man, but you couldn't run it because your stomach never so strong, right?
Exactly.
All right then. Yeah.
But him nah bring up them something there, you know. But me
Yeah.
know say eventually
Yeah.
him would have want something.
Him a go want some, right? Yeah.
Right. But him little and short and grey.
What?
Him little and short and grey. Him
Okay.
probably like 5'2". Him beard grey and
Yeah.
him bald. But him, you can't tell from elderly because he's like, he was like what, 67.
Okay. Well,
So,
so you was 19 and him was how old?
67.
67. Him a 67 and you're 19.
Yes.
Okay, go on to.
So, alright. But a few weeks out, he would have just drop off money and all of that. Nah, showing up interest for me. I said, I want nothing. And him said, come and me treat you, man. Come we go to a weekend down a Negril.
Yeah.
My granny not even want to be out of the house sometime.
Yeah.
Much less to spend 1 week.
Mm.
So my cousin them help me plan us. Oh, we go to the XYZ place for the weekend. So they help me with the life. So I'm my auntie man. Me and him pick me up and me and him down and the
What,
and man they
hold on. So your cousin them draw a card for say you are going to spend time with them.
yes.
And then, but I him you left with for go down on the grill.
Yes.
And all this time, he must send her money, but him not ask if nothing, not draw for you or nothing.
Right.
And things. So, but so now you go down on the grill with him now.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And with the pastor and you know my cousin them always teach me some little things like come down something and say, oh that cute thing you like that you good for me. And him would have say, oh you like that? And him stop the store and we shop. Them the deal the 25,000 money. 25,000
Wait,
money.
talk directly in my phone here.
You can hear me?
Yeah, but you have, I think you have moved the phone or something, because sometimes you buy it. Yeah, but you say your cousin them teach if you say when you want something, if you say, that look cute, that look nice,
Yes.
for bait the man,
Yes.
so the man for just jump in and buy this something them down. All
Yes.
right then,
If
yeah.
him generous, him will buy them this something.
Him will buy them, okay, if you just give him the hit.
Right.
So
And me do it at work.
yeah.
Me do it any work and he stop and he spend more than 25,000. Them the time the 25,000 I hold it for money.
Enough money
'Cause
that.
yeah, because minimum wage was like 6,000 or $6,000 maybe.
Yeah.
And him stop and spend 25,000 one place.
Big
And
fool.
him do all this spending.
Yeah. So when you get down to the nitty gritty and go down so now and we got hotel now, down.
Yeah, man. The girl put on bikini, they put on beach. Everybody they give you compliments. You understand? Everybody think I'm my grandfather, but you know, I pay the comments no mind.
Okay, so you have your bikini and up on beach and a beer things called
Right.
girl look good, you know, girl body turn up and all these things though.
Exactly.
And them think of your grandfather. And then
All right. When we reach a hotel room now, and I'm trying to see,
yeah,
man, don't come out naked.
the man come naked though.
Yes.
And
The man said, I've been waiting for this a long time, baby.
yes.
So when me look down and see,
When you look down and say, Jesus have mercy, what you see?
it's
Eh?
cheese street.
What you say
But
what?
it cheese street, but it is stiff.
You see cheese trick, but it did stiff.
Yes.
I want stiff like a cheese trick. Yeah, all right.
It's but it is stiff.
Yeah.
All of us sudden me get sick and what's another real?
When you say, I just see that you get sick right away, you just I tell
Yeah,
him, say,
me vomit right in front time around that bathroom.
you vomit in front of him?
Yes.
So
My
what the,
stomach sick.
your stomach did really sick for you?
Yes.
What make your stomach sick?
Lord God.
No, what did really like make like just upstore you? What about him? The cheese
All right.
tricks? The cheese tricks are the whole thing, the whole picture.
The whole thing. The
Oh,
whole you wrinkly. You
in,
take off your clothes no say there's certain things like you know look appealing.
oh, in back
And
off in
then
close and look winkle and scribble up down.
yeah, and then the stiff cheese streak.
The stiff cheese tricks.
Yeah.
Well, the cheese tricks, it's six stomach though, it just never look.
And then come up on me from behind and like
And come
just
up from me and hold you
and,
down and ready for put
and
it on pan you door.
you just feel cranny.
Cranny right
You
away.
just feel cranny. I know him blowing at me ear.
Him blowing at your ears down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now no turn him a turn you and a seduction time, a
No,
seducing time now.
no.
So when you say you vomit right away, I run go bathroom.
Yes.
Oh
I did
God.
feel better after me vomit. And when me come out with a place sick, and he's
Mm,
like, oh, me not feel good, you know. You
mm,
can get my Andrews and one Pepsi and something.
yeah.
And when he come back with the Andrews and the Pepsi, me drink it, but me fake sleep too quick. Because all he tried to touch me in the night, me nah move.
Mm-hmm.
So me just stiff all night. And he
Mm-mm.
might try to touch me and me nah move.
Mm-hmm.
All one of the time he dey try to touch me.
Mm-hmm.
All one of the time he dey try to touch me and me let out one snore. He
Mm.
must could have tells me the snore fee.
Ah, fake snore and thing. Oh God.
Remember say me a amateur, you know. Remember say me just a learn.
Oh, you just a learn the game. Okay, them time
Exactly.
there. Yeah.
At the first me able you know,
Yeah. Because
experience
yeah,
like,
true him never moved to you from before. You check say him just have a carry you there, whatever, and him still not gonna move to you, you know?
right.
Right, cause you know, I'm 67 and you are 19 at the time or whatever, but him trick you.
You see the next man,
Yeah.
me put on my clothes quick and go out the door and go sit down in a lobby long before checkout time.
Mm-hmm.
So me just tell him say, oh, me need some fresh air, man. Me can't stay in the room no long.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm still feel sick, so me don't know if he kind of catch on. So I
Yeah.
like that.
Him pick it up, man. He must
You
pick
see
it up.
where he just be quiet for the rest of the time and say, okay, I understand.
Yeah.
You see when we the out and we the go back down to Montego there,
Yeah.
we realize he come off of the main road. And he say, I have to collect something down the side, yeah.
Him come off of the main road and say, I have to collect something, because I have to go somewhere for collect.
Right.
Yeah, all right.
You need to think not about it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so they carry me go one
When Carrie go on what?
dead end
Yeah.
and say, front or nothing.
Him say front or what?
Nothing.
And that him say to you?
Yeah,
Him say front or nothing. Is either you send on the front or nothing no more for you.
exactly.
Jesus of mercy. Are you serious?
Yep.
So well on all that dead end road there now, you don't know where you're there, you don't know about
No
this.
one there.
You don't know where you're there.
Close to one key and piece. I don't know where me there.
Key and peace. And him say, is either you send on the front or nothing.
Or nothing.
So what you do?
Listen, me tell him, say, can me go here? Can me go here? The
Yeah.
man start get.
Him start what?
Him start get upset.
Upset, yeah.
Yeah. Him start get upset. And so you take man to phone, him tone change and everything.
See it there.
So you take man to phone. And you the flex and the play me. And then you come out. And so no little girl still.
What him expect?
Me tell him.
Yeah.
They say, can me go in a town and left me?
Carrie going away?
In a town and left.
And left you, okay.
The man said the bus not drive until he gets what I want.
Him nah move until the front run.
So you know what me do?
What you do? Tell we
Because
truth. Tell we
always
truth, you know. Tell we the
get
truth.
no man.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, me not saying about no.
Eh.
You see, because my cousin them always teach me one rule. Always have you get next money.
Always have you get back money, yeah?
Always have credit by your phone.
Always have credit by your
You
phone.
have credit.
Yeah.
And have me get next money.
Right.
So me come out.
They come out of the car.
Yes, I say, so I mean, they customer. I mean, they say, you can go on your own man with your cheese. Me tell him some colorful words.
Yeah.
Me tell him some colorful things.
Yeah.
But when me come out of the vehicle, me take out my bag and me reach for the things them where we buy in the shopping bag. The
Yeah.
man said, them me enough for you.
Voila. So when you come out of your style him up and thing, you take out your bag, but you take out the things that him did buy for your shopping and thing or whatever. And when you say him just grab and pan him and say, them me enough for you.
Them me enough for you.
Yeah.
Very strong too.
Yeah.
Me dey keep peace now.
Yeah.
Me can't fight off this whole grey back now.
Uh-huh.
So me start walk. And him a drive me down and there walk. Until
Yeah.
him drive off. I don't know where me dey. Just stay upon the path until me see one home. Me walk until the people me ask them when me can find one taxi.
Voila.
Me
So
going
him
to
left you out upon the deserted road in our own key and piece and thing and driver left you.
yeah.
And you just have to
Yes.
walk with your bag and thing and you don't even know where you're there till you see what? What you see
Me
what?
see one house.
Okay.
Me see one house.
Yeah.
Me walk a little bit more. Me see
Yeah.
more houses and then me see like people on the road. Not a lot of people. Me see people and me could have stopped them and asked them, but me can't get one taxi in town.
Eh.
So because me have money now, me could have get a taxi going in town.
Yeah.
Ask the taxi to drop me at the bus park and also me get a bus. Come back to my town.
Oh, so the taxi carry go to bus park and then from the bus park so you get the bus to go back to your town down in Montego Bay. Well, yeah, boy, I have to give thanks, you know, because I have some woman find himself in a them position there and it never end up so pleasant, you know. So, you know, at least nothing ever did happen to you see me?
Exactly. My spirit was so strong.
You couldn't,
My
you couldn't, you
stomach.
couldn't do it with
No,
him. You couldn't do it with him though,
no,
because
no,
it
no,
turn you off though. It would sick
no,
your
no.
stomach. Yeah,
Fit the stomach.
yeah.
Me just don't want the team them. Me never want them man.
Well, you see, the things them, their price come with it. Some woman get away with it, but I the one them who know when for cut off and thing, you know. But you know, you go niggle with him and thing. So
Mm-hmm.
that time the dog a plan for you the whole time, you know, and now while you know.
Wife, learn me lesson. Never again.
Never again, no, nah,
Never
do that
again.
again. Big up
If
yourself.
yeah,
Eh?
if me know what say, me nah run it. Me nah take nothing from nobody.
Nah, take nothing from nobody
Nah
if you
take
don't
nothing.
say, you know, a possibility that can go on. Big up yourself, you know, thanks for
Big up,
sharing.
brother.
Yeah,
Good
man, thanks for
night.
sharing in the night, man. Yeah. Boy, she say her stomach sick, man. She couldn't go there, so, you know. When Bossy come and reel out the cheese tricks, you know. Well, she said the cheese trick did stiff. Yo, oh God. Yo, you know, 73 got some bombs now, roll out the cheese tricks, you understand? Alright, I could see where I go on yes or no. I own that thing I go now. Alright, let's see. John,
You're motivated. You can't fake purity before a God who sees everything. But the beauty is, he doesn't expose to embarrass.
hello?
He exposes to empower,
Hello?
to cleanse,
Hello?
to restore.
I owe this.
Second, we choose consecration over convenience. That means saying no when it would be easier to say yes. It means walking away from platforms if your character can't carry the weight. It means not
How are
texting
this?
back, not scrolling further, not numbing your
How are
hungry
this? I
lust.
throw natural word
Because
for
you're
me.
not just protecting your heart, you're protecting your oil.
How I go on here,
Third,
so?
we surround ourselves with fire, not with comfort.
Oi,
If the
is
people
who
around
this?
you don't call you higher, you'll stay
No one got
lukewarm.
something this year bringing for
Purity
the
is
show,
cold
yes,
as
it's
much
what I
as
throw
it's
you throw
hot.
word for me.
Get around burning ones.
Eh?
People who live clean, love
Hello?
deeply, and speak truth.
It's who this?
Proverbs 13:20 says,
Jesus have mercy, them
walk
a
with
throw
the
word for me.
wise
Eh?
and become wise.
It's who this?
You can't walk with the impure and expect to stay clean.
Watch ya.
Lastly, we pray for the fear of the
Watch ya.
Lord to return, not the kind that makes you
Watch ya.
hide, the kind that makes you honor. Fears his presence,
Well
walk
on
the
there.
platform, and
I
cherishes
wanna
his
play God and I play dancehall at the same. No cartel that. It's what go on here, so. It's what go on here, so. Yeah, I'm confused. It's what?
It's about fighting to stay free. Pull up your mind, your heart, your identity, and your authority. Life move, you become.
Rock cafe just clap for me. Let me hide myself in thee. What was that? What was that? No grave cannot hold my body though. Cut and clear them nastiness. You know what I'm saying? We have to cut and clear them, you know. I want to go on a while ago. Because it started out with beer God something and thing about Proverbs and all these things and whatever. No. And then after that, me hear some bad dancehall a chip in and thing. But no, I'm confused. I'm confused a while ago. I'm confused for real. Anyway, moving right along. Yeah, I honestly don't know what happened just now. You know, I really don't know what it, but anyway, I want to say big respect to everybody out there and thing and whatever. You see, um, okay. Oh, Zane. Well, as me tell you, no, so me go and juggle more over TikTok yeah, and thing, and you know, me like look at vibes and all these things. Okay, everybody who dep on the live right you know, if you don't follow me yet, follow me right now, okay? Follow me right now, follow me right now. and share the live. I'm gonna still feel like a little bit more or so, you know. But share the live. Follow me right now. See it, let me see when I follow me. Good. 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 Up top king. Blessings to you. Glam Nation. Reggae artist and thing. Glamatan. Big up yourself, Glamatan. Alright. See Michelle say people no follow Raga. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Good night, Mr. Ragashanti. Long Island in the house. Big up yourself, Long Island, everything. Glamatan music, large up and thing. Bless up yourself. Alright, certified boss lady. Yellow Tommy. Ronald McNabb, Dan Stanley, Marsha Hall, Samantha Brown, Arian Body, Satchel, Berman, DJ Empress Tasha, Tony Green large up, CBS large up, Jimmy Q, big up yourself, you know. Cayman Islands there. Kayan Flack. Alright, follow me. Toronto in the building. Stay say one Raga, never two. Cause she said, Raga, can I take out my tambourine again? Me put it up when you stop. Oh, you mean real back it tambourine again. It's a resurgence. Right? See the journey and I share the live all about. Big up on yourself, man. Blessings and respect when you don't know the levels and things. Alright, if anybody else have anything for saying about anything you want calling about, you know the levels and things and whatever, you know. She and ma, big up yourself from New Start days, you know, Raga. Yeah, respect, man, and I don't know. Money if I from Seaview, big up yourself, money if I big up all Seaview, linky and thing. Bless up on yourself. Good night from Brampton. Brampton, big up on yourself, you know. Them call Brampton now. Punjab. Punjab, yeah, whatever. Large up yourself. Raga, can you state a specific night to find you here? Yeah, we are going to set it here, but it's not set yet. We're going to have a, you know, a thing or whatever. Next week, Saturday, I'm my younger son's birthday, so I'm going to go there and think. Greetings, good night. Hello? Hello? If you don't answer quick, you know, I'm going to cut you off, you know. Hello? All right. A person not answer, so disconnect. Could try somebody else. Hello? Could see what I now hear some people. Hello? Hello? Wagwan.
Great, how are you?
Yeah, man, talking on phone here because your voice kind of low here.
No,
Eh?
I'm at work.
You're at work. Eh,
All right, anyway,
yeah.
index for you.
We not hear you, no, boo.
All right, man.
We not hear you.
I don't know really,
Eh?
but me yeah, echo. So cut me off.
All right, cut you off and bring, and yeah, something happen when someone will call in and not echo, you know, there's something, how it go, like, Jimmy, what happen when them call in and them echo, you know? Yeah, them have to figure out a way for cut off the echo something they want to call in. Usually that happen when the audio a loop, you know, as somehow the same thing when I listen pan, or the same thing when I talk pan, or the phone or tablet or TV, smart TV when I listen pan, when I hear on yourself in, you know, it's a loop because it's the right beside you and thing, all right? So when you not call in or whatever, you can't get near the thing when you not listen upon. Alright? Okay? Because it's a loop on you, alright? Yeah, man, make sure so not follow me and on the come. Everybody, make sure not follow me and thing. Right, do remember say Atlanta, me go host the One Love concert the 15th of next month, Sunday, the Father's Day and thing. We're doing Atlanta, alright? And it's all about Inner Circle, Luciana, Itana, Maxi Priest, and a whole host of artists and thing. I going to be emceeing that and thing. Also, we want to big up Best Deal Car Service. Best Deal Car Service up in the Bronx and thing. Best Deal sponsor enough things when we go on with and thing. So Best Deal Car Service, we want to remember that and thing. Big them up and thing up in the Bronx. Albert and the whole crew, right? Bronx people want to call Best Deal and big them up and when you want to use a car service up there, you want transportation. Best Deal, right? I'm a bridging thing. You can't find a person more professional, more disciplined than Albert and thing and whatever. Real community man too, you know. Always I do something for the community and I give back and things. So big up Best Deal Car Service. Earlier I see somebody say, somebody post and say, is this the real Raga? Right? You know that there's somebody who at some point did I hear me, you know, but not see me. You know, every now and then on a rare occasion, you hear somebody like that come out and say, I saw him look, whatever, yeah. I saw him pop down and what, oh, this shamoy about Raga sweetie. Which part of me sweetie? You see me a whole pop down, man. Stop foolishness. You see me a whole pop down, man, shamoy. I want you to stop chat foolishness, man. And whatever. Sweet is for, oh no, who sweet is for? Junior Gang. Them a sweet boy, though. Sham. And, you know, them face boy there and all them thing there, whatever. Oh, look a koro. Oh, look a koro man like a me or whatever. This like that, you know. Sweet not apply to me. Right? Oh, watch ya. A true Raga, you get refined. Here ya. Watch ya. You very handsome. What? Miami people, listen to me. I am big head, big nose Raga. I me are the original big head, big nose Raga. I mean that, right? Them something that apply to me. Yes, them something that do not apply to me. Okay? Sweetie, hi my brother. This is Miss Long Island. How are you? I've been wait, Miss Long Island, wagwan. Wagwan, a long time, you know. A long time, Miss Long Island. Big up yourself, you know, people. I have a foundation. Listen to that, you know, call in and talk up or something. She's full of vibes, you see. Yeah. All of me up on the Bridge 99 FM or Arijam Radio and thing or whatever, cause you know we have you know, juggling different settings and something like that. So we give thanks. Mr. Long Island, big up yourself, man. More love and blessings, man. See it? Everything is everything, yeah? I saw the thing. I don't pay on the mind with some I think them on us saying. If anybody have anything else to say in the night, and look at drama for sure in the night, I send on and make we hear what I go on. Send on and don't hang on, alright? Yeah. Raga, warm man are weird nowadays. And if you're not Jamaican, even if you're Jamaican, enough Jamaican not really understand that, you know. But for those of you who don't know, when a Jamaican says somebody warm, that means they are not exactly attractive, you know. They're not exactly eye candy. So she's saying that nowadays the man them when you know we're warm. She has said, boy, I them around the place right now. Or I don't know. You know, she explained that. I don't know. Anyway, so you know, if anybody else shouting at 90 and thing, we know say 11:22, you know, I found a Japa sleep and all these things and whatever. And think hundreds on a day and think 500 and same way. So if nobody not shout out whichever, we don't force things around here, you know. Know that we don't force things on you. Once a big up to the ANC crew. Antasha, large up yourself, everything is everything, alright. Blessings and respect, saying. DJ Empress, me see you. Let me see what I go on up here with the people who contribute. DJ Robbie from Night, Big up yourself, man. Sharon, what this going on? Sharon, but I can't go. Okay. Miss Riches, DJ Empress. Watch it. And Tasha. Yeah. When the money gone, everything is everything, man. Big up on yourself, man. Alright, man. So blessings and respect and thing. And I don't know. And again, I just want to remind you that I'll be here more on the regular. I can't. I'm going to have a set time, but I can't do that yet. Again, I just want to remind people that I am a lawyer, and I'm an immigration lawyer. And as you can imagine, I am incredibly busy right now because of much of what is going on and things. So, I have to pay the bills, them and things. I got obligations, I got responsibilities and things like that. So, that consumes a lot of my time. Raga, may have a serious question for the man them. Why woman, some good woman can't get a... I think she meant, what makes some good woman can't get a real good man? I think that's what she meant to say. What makes some good woman can't get a real good man? Good man out there, but I be things are going right, it's like all kind of problem in the, gender issues out there, right, The whole notion of being in love, them things that change. The whole notion of being in a relationship, that has been diversified. Being in a relationship is not like one thing anymore. There's multiple different configurations of being in a relationship and what is allowed, and all kind of things are going out, and it's kind of challenging in our modern world and thing. But why woman can't find good man? Good man out there, man. Good man out there. Good night, Carla. Wagwan.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing incredibly well. I am just so thankful. I'm just like really, really, really bountifully blessed and doing really well. You don't see me glowing.
Yeah, ma.
You know, see me I glow.
Of course, absolutely.
All
God
right,
is great.
all right. Give thanks.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
My boyfriend left me. The one that was, I don't even remember his name. That was working for you. Still working for you.
You have a boyfriend who left you who used to work for me?
Yes, remember some pretty too cute or whatever. A long time that though.
Oh, wait. Who may I talk to?
I miss Long Island you
Oh,
talk to
Miss Long
man.
Island. Okay, well, go on. No, but think I serious something you talk about. I said, who
No
you
man. But anyway, a serious something I can tell us about now.
Yeah.
Alright, on a serious note.
Yeah.
And I know that you're an attorney right now.
Mm-hmm.
And I went to law school as well. I didn't tell you before, but I went to After University here in Long Island.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't pass the bar. I took it twice. So the bar exam, it kind of hard.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, I don't know if you put me. How much people are listening? 500 or 600 people.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Why am I tell you?
Well, use your discretion.
Let me breathe again. But what you look pan so?
See,
Let me breathe again.
No, it's funny, when I used to do radio back in the day,
No, it's
couldn't
not
see
funny.
me.
It's
Couldn't
very,
see
very
me, but
serious.
now you can't see me now. Yeah, go and talk, yeah.
No man, don't laugh when it comes to the situation. Very serious. Cause you wouldn't like this.
Okay.
No man, serious
Yeah, all right.
situation.
Yes, all right.
All right. So me have one little man at Jamaica, right? Married him. Um, he came to America. He came to America 26th of June last year.
Yeah.
We've been together for about 7 years. It was a dating for about 2 years. And then me married him and stuff like that. Him come and stuff like that. And then when he came, I live on Long Island. So when he come, he came and then when he came, he got his social security in less than a week or maybe a little bit two days over a week. All right. Then 2 months later, I'm getting 10 years green card.
Right.
The man not distracted.
In what? In what?
Run to the border. And then I divorced him. Because listen, me tell you something. As I told you, I went to law school, I don't know what I went to Nassau County. Me went down there, me filed the paper them right away. Me pay, I think it's $200 and something or $300 and something to file the papers them in the clerk's office. Then me go over there, so
Hold on, no.
me have to
What
wait
papers?
30
What
days.
papers?
The initial divorce papers.
Okay.
So I went because my friends, most of my friends are attorneys. And then I went to me know where to go because me live at Nassau County, for Minneola, right this up and you know, everybody know we live in a Long Island, no.
Right.
And then me go down there so pay the fee, and then I put in the divorce papers. I waited and my friends are attorneys, so they give me advice as well. And then because I didn't go to law school for them something. Let me go fit.
No, don't go with the
Sorry.
peripheral thing. Just get to just go to the
Yeah.
point.
So
I think.
anyways,
Yeah.
I pay me like $400 and something dollar. Him live in Delaware now. Him live in Delaware. Me pay the $80, the sheriff that serve him whatever in that Delaware, and then him getting 10-year green card. Me send 12. Him he can't believe it because he's listening to his son. His son is telling him what to do. So him not realize that even though you get a 10-year green card, no problem. That's fine. Go with your 10-year green card. Because I didn't know that is that's what he wanted. Just to go. So me put in everything and blah blah blah. So he left. His son came and pick him up, and then when he left, now him called me about 13 or 14 or days afterwards, and I was taping the conversation, and it wasn't even a conversation. It was like a 30 seconds or less than that, and he was threatening me. And then I called the police right away, get a restraining order and everything. And then the police call him, get a restraining order upon him, a temporary one. And then, he didn't show up at court in Nassau County. And then after that, no, the must about 2 months after that, one different, we say, whatever. And then the Nassau County, another detective called me and said that if I know his address and blah, 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 blah. If his address is such and such, I mean, say, yes, this is his address. So I said to them, I want to drop the restraining order. I can go on with the 10-year green card. I can go on. So the man said, no, the detective said, no, this is very serious. When somebody call you and the message that we heard with his voice, we don't take it simple. So we're gonna whatever with him. Anyway, me can't talk because it's an ongoing situation right now. So they actually called him and told him that he has to surrender. He hasn't surrendered, and that's where it was. That's where it is. Sorry, that was. Yeah, that's where it is right now. So I'm in the process of divorcing. My divorce cost less than $500.
So hold on,
A lot of people don't know that.
hold on. Okay, I'm gonna ask you some point question and just answer them. You don't have to explain them, just answer them.
Right, because I'm in
Where you didn't meet
the
that man? Yeah?
process.
Where you didn't meet that man? Yeah?
I can't tell her that.
All right, good. You can't tell me that. So obviously you file fee. You file the I-130 and thing. I-130 approve. You do your I-485
Yes.
and thing, and you bring him
Yeah.
up and all them thing. There you go through, the National Visa Center and all them thing, and then him come up. So you are saying that after him come up, obviously him live with you and thing and whatever. So when him come up and thing now, and you and him a juggle on a floor. At that point, everything they look normal and thing, only they friendly. You did a feel him them time. They say, yo,
All right.
this,
Yes.
yeah, me I feel him and
I
this thing.
really loved him.
Right.
But let me tell you, oh gosh.
No, you see, yeah, listen, let me just tell you now, because you say,
Okay.
you know that as a lawyer, you have to speak with precision when it comes to certain things, right?
Right,
So
right,
just leave out the extraneous information and whatever and thing and whatever. So
right.
when him come up and thing, the thing did normal. You did not feel him. You did not feel like say, yo, the love there and thing, and you and him have a build life together.
No. The love wasn't there. The love had stopped before he came up. But because he was living in a box, I said to myself, say, he's such a nice guy and him living in one little board box. But want to take him out of the ghetto. Mobile. So I still had love for him, but not in love with him.
All right. So
But
at what point you did suspect say, so that man up to something with that thing have to come up here. At what point you did suspect that?
you really want me to go into that? All right.
No, just but
All right.
pointedly though. When him did
I
that
have a huge
Jamaica or
house.
from him did come up? After him come
No.
up? After him come up?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I had suspicions before he came. But when he came, that was when it happened.
No. We know when it happened. You already tell me. I'm just asking you. At what point you say, say that man I look like he might use me for come up here? At what point? When him did that Jamaica or after him come up?
No signs of using me. No,
When him did that
no.
Jamaica,
All right, me can tell you something. Me tell you when me realize it now. We have a huge house, right? We have 3 floors. We have two sisters and my 2 kids. All right, we have a big house, right? So my sister lives on the.
You say you're gone in a
Yeah.
extraneous information again,
No, me want to tell you something. You
I
hear
know,
me?
I know, but me I say in the interest I show and thing or whatever, if you could make it a little more focused.
All right.
Yeah.
So my sister, me tell him say, me and his sister not two in a nothing. Do not go in a nothing with that sister. The baby she listen to you right now, because she listen to you. But anyways, me tell him say, don't go in a nothing with that sister there, because this sister there is dangerous. That's the sister he went to. So what I did was bought all the something them pan the line and plug in everywhere in my sister room, in every room of the house, and he hear about talk to him baby mother Jamaica because I didn't file for his son that he wanted me to file for. I will never file for his son, and I told him that I'm beyond that age. Me not have the what me no want no more kids. You understand what I mean? His son must about him come from flanker. I don't want no flanker kid in my house. I don't. I mean, I'm everybody from flanker is bad, but I'm just saying.
How old is his
But
son? How old was his son?
when I met him, his son was 13.
Okay. So you are saying
And I
him did want to bring up him son with him, and you say you're not bring
right,
up
and
his
he
son.
wanted me file for his son. I told
Okay,
him
and
no.
you say you know what you know what you really know want to pick me from flanker, which is
Not no, it's not where you're from. It's the attitude that I saw because I would go to Jamaica all the time.
right,
So I
right,
see it.
right, right, right.
So, and I mean, it's not where you're from. You
You mean
understand
the
what I said?
attitude where
A
you
lot of
saw?
people come from.
Hold on, the attitude that you saw from the son.
Yes.
I'm not sure what that attitude is, but that is normal, whenever children say, one of their parents, being with somebody else that is, so is
No.
not a
You
mother. So
can't come to your father and say, yo, let me get 5 bills, let me get 20 bills, I'm gonna get. You don't talk to your father like that. I've never spoken to my parents like that.
oh,
Daddy, I want to have something. Can I have some? Oh no, so that's how I do it.
okay.
Yo, that me just have this. No, I don't. Anyways,
Anyway,
he went to the
by the way,
police.
that's a reflection on the father more so than a 13-year-old child, But anyway, go on.
Anyway,
That says more about the
um,
father than it does about the child. But you were still interested in the fathers, that you're gonna do for the father, but you don't
yeah,
necessarily
because
want to
I'm
do for the
interested in
child.
the child. Cause
Right,
me never going to take the child, so I never care.
right. So well, just real quickly in the interest of time. So after him come up and thing and whatever, did that start out good and enjoy each other, good and go out, good and them something there?
He came up the 26th
Yeah,
last year
Y-
of June,
yeah.
and this year is gonna be the 21 year.
No, you not answer the question. All right, when him come up the night, when him come up the two and we start out to enjoy each other.
Sort out meaning having sex and all of that.
Yeah,
Yeah, man,
yeah.
everything was
So
fine.
the thing did go on good, but you say about 2 weeks after that, after him get him green card, him just disappear after that.
No, I didn't say that. I said I have a sister that live here that we're not. I told him about the sister and don't lick head with that one day. I have two sisters living. I have a big house. I told him.
Yes. So what happened with the
So now
sister? What happened with the sister?
him and she are best friend. So what I told you because you didn't listen earlier, I put all kind of plugins where we can hear everything and hear and listen and video cameras all in a fair room, either where him go downstairs, in a everywhere in the house because my house big. So
Right.
me
And you
put
say you
in all
hear
kind
him
of
talk to him baby mother at Jamaica
everything.
upon the phone.
Talk to the baby mother saying just worry yourself. Me go and marry you. And me just want to make the 3 year up and me say, okay, don't worry yourself. And then the sister me tell them say, no, look at with their best friends. So me say, all right, no. He's been here when he was here, 6 months, 6 days. He left here the 1st of January, the night before, the 31st of December. I'm gonna say, why are you still here? He said, what are you talking about? I said I was going to go with my son in Delaware. I was just gonna go look for him. I said, look for him. I'm gonna tell him everything they done. I said 2025 is not gonna get you here because you told I've been making him everything. And then you know what he did? He left. His son came for him. He left. You know what he did wrong?
What him do?
Okay. His son came and picked him up and his wife. Right? His son just came to America to him married same way and
No, hold on,
got
hold
his
on. You mean the
papers.
son and the son wife?
Yes.
Okay, come and pick
And the
up him
son,
father.
yes, come pick up his father.
All right.
And when they came, I wasn't even downstairs. My son and my sister were downstairs. They helped them put the things in the car and stuff like that.
Extraneous information again. Just yeah, tell us and help them put the things in the car. But just tell the what.
He went to the police I didn't know that. My police in where I live.
Go say what?
And then 3 days later, that was the 31st of December. On the 3rd of January, the police, not the police, the detective, in a jacket and tie and the trench coat, come and ring me doorbell. And the man came to me. And I was upstairs. And I said to the man, he said, me look out the window. I said, why ring me doorbell? And me look out and I say, okay. And I open my window upstairs. And I say, I'm such and such detective from whatever police department and blah blah blah. Is such and such person here? And I said, no. And he said, do you have his green card? And I said to the person, the detective, I said, his green card? I said, hold on, I just came out of the shower. Let me get dressed and come downstairs. I go downstairs and spoke to the detective for about 45 minutes. And me say, detective, I know you're taping me and me I tape you too. Because I know my rights. And me tell him say he came there, he, the wife, the son and the wife, and in the middle of making a report saying that I took away his green card. That's why a detective came to my house. Because it's a federal crime. That's why they are here.
All
You
right.
understand what I say?
Right. But so where you did
Right.
where you did have the green card then? Where you did have it?
The man not have everything, man.
Eh?
You no carry him go get him in a week and a half him get him social security card.
No, at the time when
Me
he met
carry him.
when him at the time when he met the report, him did have him green card?
No man, him have everything.
So you're saying that
No
him
man,
go
he has
hold on,
everything.
so hold on. So him have him green card and go to the police go report you say you have him green
Yes,
card at
because
the
his
time him
son
have
is
it?
vicious. Right.
Oh. So
So
basically him go
no.
police go tell lie upon you then.
Yes.
Okay. So
All right. So listen to
make you
this
never say
now.
that. Just say, you know, say the boy go police go tell lie upon him say I have him green card and him have him green card.
I
But you
mean,
see what you
I
do?
guess
You say the police and come and him in a jacket and tie and then him
but I don't know how to
but
just go
no,
around it. I just
no,
wanted
but
to
you
tell
should
you
have
the
just
whole.
say, Raga, you know, say this boy I go to police, go tell police I have him green
No, but
card
I
and him
didn't
have
know
and
how
tell
to
lie
say
upon me.
that. I just
No,
wanted
but
to.
that's what I'm saying, yeah, that you should have just say, you know? And would I hear it
Right. He
and think
went.
I
All right. Then let
understand
me
it,
try
say
it.
him do
All
something
right. So I'm
wicked.
go to police then, and then tell us I'm having green card, me
Right.
getting green card, and then on a police come, a detective come, and then me me say me tell the police say so why didn't he tell you that he hit me punch me in my face twice? Why didn't you tell you that he's gay? He's bisexual. Why did and me tell the police the whole thing? We not go through that right now, you know. All right.
No, you can't do
So
me
me,
that, man, because you're that wicked. Man, I
wait
lie.
no man,
Hold
we
on.
can come back to
No,
that.
no, you're that
So
wicked.
wait no
No, hold
man,
on,
wait
man.
no man.
Hold on, man. What you mean? You have proof saying bisexual?
What a what is?
It's a reasonable question given what you said. Do you have proof? Did you get proof saying bisexual?
My future ex-husband, which is almost coming through,
You just say your future ex-husband?
yes,
Him,
because I
right,
I
right,
already put in the papers. I mean, maybe in another 2 months.
right.
I'm divorced. And I'm not stupid. I told you I went to law school. I'm not a lawyer, but I went to law school just like you. But you're an attorney. Ooh, wow! You passed it on the first. Me I look for you, you know. You
No, hold
passed it on the
on, man.
first.
Hold on, man. We could go back. You have proof saying about him bisexual?
If a man called, tell you, um, oh Jesus Christ! If a man tell us say, you can't buy a dildo and carry down, and everything say because he's not, he doesn't have anything. And me I say, all right, maybe him want fit, try something with me. So he tell me, it's my husband. It was my husband, and it's
Right,
still my husband.
right, right.
You know.
Right.
And me say, me excited. And me and my sister went and we bought the thing.
And you bought the
And my sister
dildo for
said,
bring down when tell you for bring down when you come to
right.
Jamaica.
And
Okay,
my
right.
sister say, and the people in the store say, you know, them not know me, a white people them, so them not know me. So me I tell them say, him penis little, and them not tell me
Oh,
say
so,
fi buy
so
one.
well, on him have one
It's
little
something
teely,
where
him teely little bit, him have one itsy bitsy.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So them have some, you never know that. Them have some we don't like old and middle. They can put in feel like tea in it. So when him a do it, him can,
Right, him
you know.
can, you feel like him
All
have, yeah,
right,
look at things. So you think,
right.
so one
So
of
me and
them
my
that you did get
sister,
film, one where him could have put on pan film thing.
but you know, hear nothing yet because
I,
you need to shut up about it, Raggy. So anyway, yes, me buy one of that. Me and my sister went, and my sister and my kids them love him because he's a lovable guy. Me I tell you the truth. I don't
okay.
know why making son mash him up to. But anyways, I may have like him, but I may wish him the best. But
So after you bring down the something now and thing, what happened?
you're not listening. When I went down there now, and we stay at the Rio Grande, right?
Right?
All right. And me and him did it for 2 weeks. Anyway, we got there. We done the hot tub and everything in the house, and we drink with champagne in the tub, and from the tub to the shower and ready now. We go have sex now and make love and everything. The man said me fi strap it on for me, and the man doggy style for me. Alright, you hear me though?
Hold on, hold on
Okay. Okay, dokie now.
Him
That's
tell,
what I'm trying to tell you.
what are they? Him tell you for strap it on and say you
You
for
know
go.
that me try. Yes, I say what? Because him not have anything in now work, not even 5% or 2%,
Hold on, how small him
Each.
something is? How small him something is?
But I'm not gonna lie, maybe
Right.
about 2 to 3.
About 2 to 3 inches, right?
Yes, but it didn't bother me because I love them for who he
For
is.
who him is and so what well
Yes,
on,
that
so
never bother me.
when the man tell you say you for strap on or something, what strap it on and give it and service him?
And the man do doggy style and say, me say, where you been strap up? I don't understand. Me say, you think say you gonna give it to me? And the man said no, and he set up in the bed. Cause people say when they drink in the hot tub before and he said no, it's for me.
So he
From
said
that,
himself for him that you for do it to him.
yes sir.
You serious?
God know.
Then
God know. Me
then
not
no.
lie.
Then from the man said that to you and whatever now, and you
The
hear
the
that. What
the
impact that?
visa him something almost come true. It's just one more what's one more fly down fi come get him back.
So hold on. So when you strap it on and you give it to him now and thing,
Me
when you
did
did,
tell us I'm strap on anything.
I try catch your man for see if you
Yeah. You can't catch me with strap on nothing. You look like some is a lesbian here.
what
Strap on what? Oh.
what you just say if me look like if you look like say you was a lesbian.
Yeah.
What you say? Because if you do that you'd be a butch lesbian no.
Yes.
Is it that funny that you say your husband ask you for strap on the dildo and service him
No,
and hold on,
no man,
hold
it's
on,
not
hold
funny,
on, hold on,
because
hold on, hold on. No. I'm gonna tell you where the
not
you
funny, because
listen.
no,
Hey,
wait.
you know no.
Hold on
Hey,
one
hey, hey,
second.
hey, you listen. You listen. Right? I
Okay.
mean, run the show. All
Okay.
right. So I
Yes,
said,
sir.
I think it is funny in a contradictory way that you say if your husband tell you bring down dildo and thinks him gonna use it for you because him have a little teely, and then when him tell you say no, are you for do it to me? I said it's funny that your interpretation of it is be like, nah, me not strap on a dildo and service you, my husband. Me look like a lesbian. That is
The wicked
hilarious.
not far.
That is hilarious. So after you said that to him, what happened?
I was still with him because he was living in a box in a 13 Barnet Lane, down a Montego Bay. Della. Yeah, Della. Genesis sound. Yeah, right this up.
No call no name here. No call no name. Yeah, no
All
call no
right.
name. No
So a lot
call.
of people over here so know him too.
Yeah, no call no
So
name. No call no
all
name. No
right,
call
me
no
not
name.
gonna call on you.
And
So me,
hold on,
mommy, I
hold
said to
on,
you, me did
hold on,
love
hold
it, me
on,
did.
hold on, hold on. And give it that you just say what you just say. I just want to categorically state that I, Ragashanti, had nobody affiliated with me, is in any position to affirmatively confirm or debunk anything this caller said. So nothing that I said should be in any way interpreted that I'm endorsing what the caller said to be true. Okay? All
Oh
right.
my,
Okay, go on.
you're talking um attorney's term. Wow. Yes, and I appreciate that. So nobody can sue you or anything like that. Mm.
All right. So when the divorce ever come true now?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Um, I did it in Nassau County. I did it from the January, maybe in the summer, cause it's not gonna take long. It took me um almost 400 and something dollars to do it,
All right.
just to file everything.
So last
I did it
question for
myself.
you. Last question for you. Is it your conclusion then that from the get go, this man was just planning to use you for you to bring him up into America?
No, no, I didn't see that. No, when
No, 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 no,
when
no, no. I'm not asking if you see it, I'm saying, given where you are now, and you look back, do you think that this was his plan from the get go?
yes,
Okay.
because remember I said to you I planted stuff in my house and I heard conversations from his son, from his baby mother, from everybody. So I heard everything. So we know. So
All right.
I sent messages to the detectives. I sent I have everything on thumb drive and everything.
All right.
And then I sent 12 letters to Trump and 12 letter to the what you call it? The immigration. But the is end won't be pretty. They said they won't take away his green card, but it's not gonna be pretty on his side because he won't. If he travels out of the country, he can't come back, and they're gonna revoke it. And I'm in the proceedings of, and I also have a restraining order
Wow,
against him.
wow. There's a
So
lot
it
going
is
on
very
there.
very bad
Right, and so
because he
much.
called me and
Yeah,
threatened
and
me as
threatening.
well.
Okay. All right, listen, man. Thanks for sharing that with us and alerting people to to
Yeah, man.
the dynamics involved in this particular type of scenario right here and thing. And listen, man, you stay safe and thing
Yeah.
and go and protect yourself. All right.
Yeah, what happened to me, man? What happened to sweet, too sweet, cute? And
Um.
what's your name again? Too
Uh.
cute. The
Oh,
one who did pregnant from the man. She have the baby?
oh, people, this is a running joke from when I used to do a different show. So she's joking now.
Oh,
Don't
it's
think
a
she's serious,
anniversary
okay?
and
All right, yeah. No, man, she, Alien too cute. She did the same in Jamaica, man, and, she good,
the
man.
baby
And,
did born or
uh,
anything like that?
no, and then who was your man again? Was it, only God can tell me? Only God can tell me. Was he your man or was it Prezi?
No.
It was Prezi. It
Yes.
was Prezi was your man. Okay, all right then.
Yes, my baby.
All right,
How is my
hot
baby?
and spicy.
Man block me,
It was,
now.
hold on, it was hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy. The
Yeah,
one with pregnant.
yeah. What's
She have the baby?
well, I don't know. Whatever. Again, people,
You,
this is a joke. This was a running joke. Okay.
okay, it's a
All right.
different show.
All right. Then big up
Love you,
yourself.
love you,
Yeah,
love
man.
you. I'm
Protection, man.
sorry if I disrupt your
No,
show tonight,
that's
but
fine. That's fine. You
yeah,
did
but
well.
I had
Okay.
to come up and tell you what's going on.
That's
And
all.
it's a it's a open you have to open eyes to other women. Don't go to countries and marry men like that. I mean, even if you think that me said this about them long me for 7 years and when he came, it was like boom. All right. I got a job in the
No, no,
school
no. It's
system
no, no.
college.
Do make I just bring in somebody else before I leave and thing. All right.
So can I say, all right,
Yeah,
no
all right.
worries.
Yeah, man. Blessings here.
All right,
Yeah,
love
man.
you.
Cool. Yeah, man. Love you too,
All
darling.
right.
Okay, cool, cool. Why we're running a late night tonight? Let's a whole bunch of people here. We could see what I go out there. So a couple more calls before I leave. All right. Oh, if you're here, follow me. If you're in the chat, if you're watching the show right now, even if you're not in the chat, if you're watching the show right now, please follow me, okay? And share the live and thing. But follow me right now, right? Let me just give you a second. Follow me if you're in the chat. Okay? Follow me. If you're watching the show right now, listening, watching, follow me, all right? Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Okay, good night, caller. Good night, caller. Good night, caller. Somebody, you're there. Me, I hear you. You're moving in the background. All right. Well, now waste no time. You know, I could go to somebody else. This person 11010. I go disconnect 11010 right now and try somebody else. Hello. 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 Cindy. 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 These people come on and them stop pay attention to. Alright, disconnect.
Shanti, good
Wagwan.
night.
Good night. Wagwan.
How you doing?
I'm doing really, really good.
I
Honestly,
bet you
I
don't
am.
know who's talking to.
I certainly don't. Care to remind me?
It's your son's teacher.
This is who?
Your son's teacher.
My son's teacher. Which one of my sons?
Let's say from third grade, North Brown Academy of Excellence.
Okay, you're Zion's teacher?
There you go. How you
Oh,
doing?
I'm doing good. Are you Zion's teacher now, or you was his
Not
teacher?
now,
Not now.
third grade.
While he was in third grade last year. Okay, no,
Yes.
I'm doing good.
Is he still going there?
Oh, yes, he is, and he's still super smart, and he's still
I'm telling you, not super.
what?
Superb. Oh my
Superb,
goodness.
yes, and he's still one of the top students there. He's on the
Of
honor.
course.
He's on the honor
He did his
roll.
exam already?
Yes, and well, I know he did some exams, and actually, they had the honor society honors, and he got, the top score in a
Yeah.
bunch of subjects
Always,
and things.
always.
Yes, so he's doing really well. I'm really proud of him.
We're all
I think
continue to
him
do
probably
your
get
best.
him getting brightness from his mother. So.
Whatever. You want to debate that?
No, he got his brightness from his mother. His mother's very bright.
Well, I
So
can see that.
right.
Wonderful. I
Right.
guess it's from both of you.
Right. From his mother. Because, Raga
Yes.
is I think so.
Okay.
What going with you?
No, go on there. I look for you.
Give thanks. Give thanks. Oh, so you're not teaching at North Broward anymore?
Not anymore. I'm a
Okay.
central charter now.
Okay. All right then. See,
Yup.
blessings, man, and thing.
Blessings
And
every
are you
time.
behaving yourself? Or you being a good, huh?
As always. Come
As
on.
always, of course, right? That's a given, okay?
I given. You didn't even have to ask.
All right, then. I'll go with that.
Follow me, please.
Yeah, man, I will.
And tell your people to follow me. Guys, can you give me a follow, please? Thank
Okay, what
you.
are you? 01 Dainty, is that it?
01 Dainty.
All
You
right,
said
then.
it
Blessings,
perfect.
man. Them hear that, man. I think. All right, blessings here.
Blessings every time.
Yeah, man. Respect and cool. Yeah.
All right. Say hello to him for me, please, Mr.
Most
Green.
definitely, I most assuredly will. All right, thanks. Cool.
All right. Good night.
Yeah, man. Uh, Oh, a couple more before I leave. Hello?
You can hear me now?
Yeah, I hearing you. Look up. Talk again.
Anyway, I'm still here. Anyway, I'm
No, we still have that problem there, you know.
but I'm deleting that
No, we still not hear you good, you know. I don't know what is it you're doing and things. You see, you call back at the same thing.
because of my
Like, we're not hear you. We're really not hear you.
alright, check me.
Huh?
I don't know if it's
Yeah, we're not hear you.
alright, check me.
All right. Gregory Innocent, big up yourself, you know, my brother. I see you. Navlet, what you say? Yeah, Jimmy, yeah, sometime of them headset too and thing. Good night.
Take off one of the hot.
Good night. Good night.
Take off one of the hot.
Good night.
$100 out. $15,000 out. Yeah.
Good night. All right.
Take it off, put it in a barrel, man.
Last one, this and then I cut and gone. You know, person. People them come in and them not talk. Big up on yourself. You know, Navlet, me see you, Navlet. Greetings. Hello. Damian. All right, I hate that people. Some people are calling and them when them come in, them not talk. People, this is a wonderful night and thing. We had fun, right? There was some really interesting calls and so forth, you know. Remind me of the old days and thing. And like I said, I'll be back here on multiple occasions, multiple times, I should say. When exactly it is, like a set time, I'm not sure. You know, I just jump on when I can and when I'm not busy and things like that. But we're there, man, all right? What you want, Michelle, about tomorrow night again? All right, big up on yourself and make sure someone follow me and spread the word. You know, Raga is back. All right? I'm going to juggle and go and do a thing, yes, and have fun and the whole works. Jimmy Q, big up yourself, people. You see my little brother and I chat, you know, Jimmy Q, right? And you know, so them man, they are big DJ and thing and, you know, selector, you know? And them man, them do him show all the while and on TikTok, so I check him out and thing. And check out DJ Chris Cross to my little brother. All right? And make sure so I follow them. Yeah. That's Jimmy Q and DJ Chris Cross. Make sure so I follow them. Yeah. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Maraga.
Yeah, you can't have the thing I play in the background doing, yeah?
All right.
Yeah. What I go down?
You better know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me I say. Me have some mix up the gear.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So I'm married to this woman for 8 years. And after we married, about 5 years after we married, she get pregnant. So everybody excited, me excited, she excited, the baby. So alright, long story short now, the baby end up born. So the baby not look nothing like Maraga. But I'm my first baby. So me still take nothing for nothing. Me I say 3 baby young, the baby red, and me black.
Okay.
So anyways, me still take nothing for nothing.
Yeah.
Me did a jump round as a good father as me is.
Right.
So anyways, me did about 2 months after I baby born. Me and her the home regular. And she in her room with the baby. And she did a ball. And me got ears drop now. And I said,
wait, you go do what? You go do what?
Me go a listen her cry in her room.
Okay, got ears drop. Okay.
Yeah. She a talk to the baby.
Mm-hmm.
And she a say, only if you know. Say, I no feel him pick me.
And that
My
she a say
life
to the
would have
baby.
done.
And that she a say to
That she
the...
a say to the baby.
John, no.
Only if you know. Say, I no feel him pick me.
Mm-hmm.
My life would have done.
Mm-mm.
Me see smile when you have on your face. Me see joy. Me see you walk and boast to your friend them or something. That a me she a talk, say me walk and boast to my friend them say.
Yeah, because you finally get a you though. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Remember say I'm wife this Naraga when me married to, you know.
Jaja.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So she a say, she hear everybody a talk, she hear her mother-in-law talk, say, the baby look kinda light and something. But only if she could have come out and tell me fully, say I no feel me pitney. Say she go out there and go get some sort out and that go on. So anyways, me did about half an hour did I process everything no raga. Me did have one glass in my hand. Say glass goes up and drop. And she hear it. So same time, me end up clean up the glass and something. And she run come out and ask me, what happened? Me tell her, say, I slip the glass slip out of my hand. So, me not make her no wise and me not make she know say me know nothing. So, about a month run off after that. Me still not say nothing to her and show her no face. Nothing to her. Then, about one night, me did it again.
Hold on. So, when the month run off and thing, when did like, you just a flow normal run so like...
Just a flow normal.
So, like, start out and them some of that, you know, start out and them
start out, same way
and thing, okay.
But me did it,
yeah.
Me did it, but me not did it raga.
Yeah, your headspace not there and thing or whatever, yeah.
Me start go road now and start step outside and something now. But me not sure that the side of me.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So anyways, me end up coming from work one night. And me end up coming and pull the door. When me come in and pull the door, she don't know say me come in. So me hear she in her room and she just tidy off the baby and I put the baby to bed. And me hear she say, boy, every day you grow you look like your father. That's what she said to the baby, you know. She said, only if your stepfather know. She not say stepfather, she said only if me know. Say I no feel me picking him. It's after everything in a raga. She has said to the baby again, only she know, only if me know say I no feel me picking him. Would put them out and something. So anyway, she did attack the baby and attack the baby. And I say, boy, me I pray to God say your skin color and everything change. So she has said to the baby, you know, me I carry out in the sun and make little sunlight touch you and something. Because more you get dark and something. So same time I run in her room. And me say, what you say? And she a say, a joke she a run and something. So anyways, me end up getting mad pan her no raga and something. Me end up put her out tonight. She and the baby, me end up put out the two of them. She end up go over her mother at night. Her mother call me and her something. So when her mother call me, me answer her mother. And the mother asks me, what happened? And me explain to the mother and I tell the mother. You know, say mother go come over my yard no raga. Come stone me house, lick out my window. Mash up my vehicle.
The mother do that?
I tell me say me I tell lie pan her daughter. Yeah, I tell me say me I tell lie pan her daughter.
So with all of this happening, which part this happening? Which country this happening?
In a
In a way?
St. Catherine.
In a so Jamaica you link from, right?
Yeah, Jamaica.
Yeah. So which part of St. Catherine this happen?
This is in a Spanish town.
Spanish town, yeah. So she stole your place
Yeah.
and lick out your window and be
Stone my
something, yeah.
place, mash up my vehicle, Raga.
Ja,
And
ja.
something.
Yeah.
So anyways, me end up look past it. And me end up tell her some want a DNA.
Yeah.
She start cuss now. That my wife start cuss now.
Yeah.
I tell me say, she know say I'm my picnic. She never go go step on me yet. 100% sure say I'm my picnic and something. So I say, since as you know say I'm my picnic, give me a DNA. Me will pay for everything. You don't have to pay for nothing. Me willing to pay for
Yeah.
everything.
But how all of this end up in at the end? You do the DNA?
No, Raga, she never give me DNA.
Yeah, so how it end up now?
We end up divorced and something, and me end up go my ways and something.
Okay. So at
Me
any
end up go
point she
my
did
ways.
at any point she admitted say it was it she admitted say you wasn't the father?
Up till today, dear Raga, she not tell me.
Then you know what she there now or who she there with now?
Me know where she there. She there with one little man there. When the top beat her and kill her with leg.
Okay, then the man when she there with her the picnic father?
No,
I want different
and I
man.
pick different man.
Oh, you know say I want different man.
You see, picking the father now, me know him good.
Oh, so you know who the picnic father is?
Yeah.
Oh, you come to know who the picnic father is?
Alright, so the picking the father now one brown man. Him live in the same community, me neighbor.
No, me say, oh, you come to know say it's him.
Then me I tell you story now, Raga.
Yeah.
Say one night, me go some book and find film car park up over my yard. That long before she pregnant and something.
Oh, okay.
So me find film.
Hello?
So after now, when the baby born now and something,
You put two and
me
two
start
together,
see
say,
baby
I
start look
must
like
him.
that the man there.
Like that man there would do. Okay, alright, me see what you say.
Yeah.
Alright, but at least the thing end up
The-
balance up and she gone her own way and you go your own way. And no
Yeah,
damage
that
never
I
do to
agree to
nobody.
still,
Yeah,
Raga.
no damage never do to nobody and thing or whatever. You know, we give thanks to that and thing, you know?
By end idea just me did lose because me car did mash up and something. The window them did broke out and something
So hold on,
and me do nobody wrong.
how old are you if you don't mind me asking?
That
Yeah.
year me a 30, Raga.
You're 30 and thing or whatever. You get
Yeah.
you get any other youth?
Yeah, me get 3 more youth.
So when this did them?
So alright now, me get
No, when this did them? What year this did them with that?
this year from pandemic time,
From Panda, no, what year?
2020.
2020.
Yeah,
This did happen with her.
yeah, 2020.
And since then you get 3 youth.
Yeah,
You get 3 youth with one woman or more than one woman?
with one.
With one woman, you get 3 youth. How many boys, or what are the
Yeah.
genders? Boys or girls or whatever?
2 boy and 1 girl.
Okay, what are their ages?
Them me just have one what year, little one, the last one I just couple months the other day.
Yeah, and the other 2, what them age?
The next one are 2 and 1.
Oh, 2 and 1. And they are 1 and they and thing. Alright then. But you
Yeah.
see, yeah, Bill Batman, so big up yourself here.
Yeah,
Alright.
that's a great things, man, Raga.
Yeah, man, protection and blessings, you know, more life and strength, you know,
Alright.
don't. Alright? Yeah, man,
Yeah.
cool. Alright, people that eat that, you know. It's been a night, alright? Me I go let it go this and thing and relax myself a little bit, you know. I have to wake up tomorrow and got some errands to do. Alright? Bless up on yourself, people, and thing. Thanks for hanging out with me and thing. As I tell you, I'll be back. Right? And again, if you're watching right now, follow me. Follow me. That's the only thing me I go bother on for over here. for to follow me, because they say me have the goal there, the 100,000 goal there and thing. So it's gonna take me a minute to reach up there. So, but that is my goal, 100,000. And they say I'm at 35,000 right now. So I build that, you know. So follow me, spread the word, let them know about the page over TikTok. And forgive me if I'm not versed on the many things that can be done over here. Cause TikTok deep, you know, man. TikTok got a whole bunch of stuff going on over here and whatever. And a lot of them, I don't really understand them or learn them yet, I think. And some of them, to be honest with you, I don't really care for them, you know. I think like that. I just want to have fun and build my listenership and things like that and whatever, all right? Blessings and things. Jimmy Q, big up yourself, you know. Proper respect, everything is everything, all right, people? Love and blessings. And when I set a time, when I go do my show regularly over here, I'll make you know, all right? More than likely, it's going to be about 2 or 3 times a week, but, you know, we're going to set the time so that, you know what I go on and thing. ANC, big up on yourself. SDC, large up on yourself. Everything is everything. See? Let me see who and who. Michelle H. Stephanie. Big up yourself. Kenisha Shams in the building. Yeah. There's 3 times a week we want. Or schedule Kitty Cat schedule. Oh yeah, I want to say happy Mother's Day to all the moms there. We're already into the Mother's Day, you know. All right, so big up all of the mothers them out there, okay? Enough blessings and love, and big up to my old lady who tried on a good while now, but I don't know. Raga ever say Miss Cherry, and we not stop say Miss Cherry, though. You understand? Love her, see him, we and things, see? Blessings to all mummies out there, all right? You know, so I say enough respect to you for all I know the sacrifice them want to make, you know, for to pick them and all these things, all right? Blessings and respect. It's who that a run number and a spam the thing and a run number. Black, Jimmy Black. Is who that? Black account. Don't come over here, come run no number them made. Let me see. Black account. You see it there? A black reach them already. Don't do that. You go make me get in a trouble over here because TikTok no do that something, you know. TikTok no like when you post number. See that can blow up them one come blow up my thing down. That no real. You know, so I'm gonna take back that talk there. Yeah, I take back that talk there. That don't ever sound right, you know. They want to come blow up my thing, yeah. No, yeah, they want to come mash up my business, you know. They want to come mash up my business, you see it? Yeah, Gemini Queen, big up, you know. Yeah, Lisa Blessed, large up, yeah. Again, if you're there and you don't follow me, follow me before me leave, right? Before me sign off, right? Me I get time for follow me. Yeah. Navlet say, Raga, today's my birthday. A lie. Navlet, today your birthday. Happy Mother's Day and happy birthday, Navlet. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my big friend, my long time charge, my loyal sister, Novely. Happy birthday to... And now, for the famous Ragashanti, Luther Vandross ending of a song. Here we go. You combat artist, mother artist. This are the thing there. I want a big R&B artist around here, don't. Now big up yourself here. Enjoy your birthday. Love and blessings. You see, Raga loves you. All right. More love and strength, people. Protection. All right. Them out. Unbreak my heart, Trish. Okay. You're most welcome now. Big up yourself. Kenesha said her mom passed away recently. Condolences, Kenesha. When Mother's Day come around for people who have lost their mummies, it can be a little bit challenging, but I'm hanging there, all right? Blessings. I'm just giving people time. If you're not aging at all. I am. I look much older than I look back in the day. All right. Good night, Muffy Clark. Trudy said, happy 97th birthday to her mother. Oh, to your grandmother. Okay. Jacqueline says, don't stop. This is my first time. Really now? Jacqueline, I know what you mean. You talk about the show, but yeah, that's an interesting way of putting it. Don't stop. This is my first time. John or Dennis says, I can't wait for the foundation people find me, but them soon find me, man. Them always find me, man. Yeah. Fancy said, this is my first time too. First time watching. Too blessed to be stressed. Me too, it's my first time on the show. Well, big up all of the first timers and thing. Right, a long time. Again, just want to remind people though that you're linking up with me here on TikTok, but I've actually been doing lives over at YouTube for years now, right? And if you go over to TamFam TV, if you subscribe over there on YouTube, a lot of my old Raga shows for years and years and years, they're over there. So you can watch them at your heart, listen them at your heart content. I'm talking about the Jamaica Days Ragashanti live. They're over there. Okay. Also, I've been doing lives all this time over there, kind of low key and thing, but those are over there too. So there's a lot to listen over there. And in terms of the lives that I've been doing, you can watch those. But the old school Raga show, them is just the audio and thing. But a lot of them over there and them turn up, So y'all can check them out and you can subscribe. Again, it's called TamFam TV. TamFam TV. I think once you go over there, you'll recognize it and think you'll say that it's my thing, okay? So if you want to listen to the old Raga shows, they're over there, all right? And you can check them out. Hi, the one that said Panky says, hi Raga, this is Kimberly from Palm Bay, Florida, listening for a long time. Big up yourself and think. Oh, and Tarsha, big up your mommy for me. She came over on the Ragashanti page on over Facebook, and she's like, yo, my daughter, she listens to you, and that she name is Stacy. So I post and I like Stacy. And it took me like a little second, a couple minutes after to realize that she was referring to you. And then I'm like, yeah, big up Stacy and Anthony, and thing and whatever. So big up your mother for me, all right? Blessings. Colin Click, say you're a foundation, So you're different, Yeah. Shanju Alu. First time watching from Canada, but I'm 100% Jamaican. Big up yourself, man. See it? Sean Matthew, 15 years of listening. See all them people are foundation people in there, man. Them people they are listen me from. Yes, Antasha, big up yourself, man. And people they are listen. You have some people that listen me from at 102 days, Little Dose, Miss Ermin and them people, And you have people know about Marie, the head girl, Fana. And them people, big up on yourself, second back on me, know the whole works and thing, don't large up, man. Yeah, know what is what. Now, on yourself, man. We're going to turn up back the thing over here, wicked and bilious, don't proper. All right? Whispering Sand, the good old days. You see, somebody said I'm a listen from New Start Days. Yeah. Who remember the CG button, the Cardell Green? Oh yeah. Them days there. Yeah, large up. Antasha, big up man. Voluptuous boutique. Large up. Kian, Lady-O, Blessed Queen and thing. Again, follow me. If you haven't followed me yet, just make sure you follow me. Alright? Jesse Raga, I'm watching you for years when you and Pepsi apart. Yeah, what you mean, man? I'm a general Latino. You know, it's a Pepsi transition and thing, Pepsi drop out years now and thing. I'm a dog that man. Big up all St. Crew, all St. Elizabeth people, you don't know Black River and South and the whole works and thing. Big up on yourself, man. Yeah, St. Mary, you don't know. Lock and seal, don't proper thing. Alright, I'm gonna let go here now, people. Big up on yourself, alright? Blessings, cool. Thanks for hanging out.